Abusia mema kwaba eneso edeba enkranhye dwumedi a wota ehwe no wo Adom TV so me ediam jeso ene ni tekotego na mema kwaba no na me ka kire wo se everything happens for a reason. Everything happens for a reason. Ade ebisi wa brabo bia ne e wo senti aye esi. It either comes as an advantage or to a disadvantage. Ade na ba ebi wa be boa ebi wa emwa na abre bia na abraba ye ebu no de besi bia no esi kosise obepe ano pomasobre na wasinkete agina no ape ano ye. If you don't get what you want, it doesn't mean everything is bad. So when timi anya ne awopa eno nche se abrabo no enkoso ana wo de won semfata, life goes on anyway. Ne ese usua ne se obepe nyansa ne akade na wasinkete ne ane giamu na wagina wokwa no akoniye. Struggles and challenges don't have to define you. Nyoma wo fam no ne enye na be kire nipa woyo. Se bia nyoma enkoye sikasemu, nyoma enkoye apomodinemu, oba no ato ne dini, me de metipa eyo, me de makoma ere nya wo dia. So your struggles and your challenges don't have to define you. Dia wo fam no nya na ese kire ba bia wo free ba ene awoko. It is your ability that will define who you are. Enyoma wa sua go adwen proso. Akade a wo na ese obobram na wo gina se me ebia me your mama minim we metim agina no. So define yourself by your competences. Define yourself by your abilities. Do not define yourself by your challenges, your setbacks and disappointments. Esa wo kire mu hunu se wo nipa wo sombo wo nyansa na abegina no akoakoden adi nyoma no so. Se wo gitumu se de ba na ye bone a gitumu papa so agitumi na mo hunu se nya wo gina mo bia no obenya ano adre. When we accept the good and the bad, we are able to appreciate and enjoy the simple day-to-day experiences in our lives. Ade betu bia nya hunu se de bone mpo papa bi wo mo betima yiri afimu. Ne obeka kire wo bia de betu bia nya hunu se papa bi wo mu ya betima gina no ayi ano. Even wo hia mo mpo ya papa ohia na kanya nipa emoye okope ade ye odini ahwase na manipa sode ena nkugo na mayesu ade edi emponkunim ti de betu bia na ade papa bi wo mu. In life you have to learn to let go certain things. Nyebo ho ase wo jamu nyebo onso ase wo de hye wakoma mu abufuo se wo jamu awere ho ase wo jamu ena atete ana ase wo nwinwi ase wo jamu sa nyoma we atenka ka wo hye abufuo awreho anase unwinwi aya atenka eka wo hye na mo pa nigye e wo dan hia dem ne se benya ne sa nanso nwa kire wo no ena wo hia empo se wadwum beda ho yie na adwemu na ho yie enyina so ne nigye obi ana nigye bia na adwemu da ho fan dempo asambeto na wo dwendwen na wo tete na hanhan na awreho ne abufuo efa no mumu a esi wadwene mu kwan na wonya neoma a de ye neoma no entempo dan ya dem no na ese wo gya awrewo mu na apede se fata se ne gye ene empo akono papa ye kind of positive thinking to abrabo mu. The experiences you go through open up your strengths. There are two bia na be kire wo mreyo ene suban pa obetima yi agina no kanya de two ya ka wonim se sebimpo wonim sa suban we se ekomba ene epe kwan fa so egina ebu okom so enti asem ne ba ye nyina asem no so enka se media mawie mabrabo abawie ne sa. Do not let your circumstances define you. Nya wo fam no ma no nkire wo suban media me hiani o media me nsem fata o media no, don't say that. We nipa so opa akade na timi gina no a obetimi ayeye abrabo ayebu no eye enkoja ne afone sane mamenka biom abrabo eye enkoja afone sane tere bia be fura kosoro tere bia be bafom tere bia oyu abebo tere bia nsuo be to tere bia be koyie tere bia so enkoye abrabo nye totensa fa wetu kotodwa ne hunu se de tie bia no abrabo ye wa hwase mre ene wo mra ye gina ho nanso so memo wa hwase empo ena da anye yi no enkyere nipa wo yo sanko yi a catch us I'll do my best to roll out of this too meya ne sefata na me free we mu free yourself from limiting beliefs memma ne ma bia wogidie fa ho no anya adwuma me de we de me nko school da we de me de se na ye no me de me wo ba entidie me de me sebe nkrani me ganji mi ala onya agboboto amanye ala me de me akani we de ye de ntimi nje wo boa ba bia wo free enkyere nya betimi ayo nya betimi aye nyina so ene ne ma wo de hye hu nkunan enti sa gidie na da to adwen po se wo de sebe ganyojibo ana wo agboboto onye ana me de me akani no fatu baby na nyina hu se wo nipa wo ye wo ni a otimi ye papa na sa gidie na ka wo hye no jemu as you work towards what you want to have you will gather what you can do to get what you want so we sin kete ehunu ni abetimi aya o hye hu nkran a ahode abetimi adi nyoma so no ebeba automatically you need to inspire yourselves because I believe that life will come with challenges abrabo akonsidie wo ho so transform your beliefs nyoma wogi tu mu sesa na wote na semu transform the way you act saka nyoma wotaye mu and transform your thoughts saka kwa wo fa so adwene ho abrabo a obi ntimi nsakra mu ma wo gisa wankasa simple obi ma osika se fa bubra won kire kwa ba fa so yusu sika no wona ade sika no be bubra na empo wanya mfaso onyankopon ama nkwa ama omre won kire na ade won kwa no omre beye wona esa wo pen nioma wo de won kwa no omre beyo enti abrabo ye nyina babo mu nsu se stobre mu ene ye ni awurusi abribiara abribia se opa kade sa bo atatia ya wo bo wadu anano ewo empo da rene buso na de hia dem wonya bi adi entwen emesu tobre nu asewasi wudan onyame enka ho onyame eme nyansa obebubra sansa abrabo ebu emu ode keke se wonya abrabo akande a abrabo emu ode abrabo mu enye duhwa na enye de aha na meja wo ediam je so e ni tekotego me dadwumafo wo ne bu a me a me dadwumadie ba ho nyina me kan maka se wo be kampedu enempo Priscilla nyame nhira mu nyinara edin nyam je so eni tekotego wono nyame entina
No see how wide is mama yamamunyina chem wakwa bamfam Adom TV Badwam kase so na yadania se e won nkran sama nenso ode ahye danase amaye famu afutuo na fa ebo brafi se ne esie bia na wo se esie na esie ne sinso a eye bibi nti na esie se obesesa ana so obede yadania se papa pantino nsia boy kase ne braso ensam ne etodwa wo mu bi ya wo betini enwe beto dwa asasa de nka asore demo maami agrada na evangelist bekwa asore enwe de no show ni nyina danse yeso obu asore mabinti yede mu nsam no ebebromo na fe yakwa yensam foforo mu so na yakwa akohwe sede agrada ho nsam no tie sanitation ho nsam so ho nsam no etesei se ye bo ho dawro no yedu ba bia o se yedu ana sansem we ni nsam bi anopai wadaro ma mede bro Adom TV Badwam kase Facebook/Adom TV kase no ho Go TV 176 DSTV 280 mi amesomo anopai midi afia amankwa tamaklo afia ni diem tie seden sam no enchemu ankasa etie aposifo akere Patricia Siedu a adodo na frɛ no mame agrada se wafanya sakwan bi so abu na sɔre mba no bi ya je se nya asam keto akora so bi benya wansi de kura de atonso na ho odene Adom TV etwaso
Eden krata beto montene so a wo kire mu se wono ma hyase a subuo bia Heavenway Church ya ewo weja enkran hanom asori ma ede abo wono mo sofo panyini Patricia Asiedu ano wono ma hyase a wo hwehwe mu enkrata ne mu na police fo ekire mu se sensa asori ma bi ede beto montene so se ma me adada wonom se won fa won sika mra ne won mo ho ema wono mu ntino ena twen a police fo adwene si so a ne senti wo hyase eyesa enhwehwe mu no Onam saa yo so de ato omanfo nyina anim se obi biara sansemi wonim hu bi no omomodin ase Accra Regional Police Command ya ewo Accra Central Cocoa Board enchen honom no beka koba police fo amane ya ne nyina mu no wode ato omanfo nyina anim se sanse wono mahyase a wo hwehwemu afa sansem ni mu nti no omanfo nyina ne titiru ene wono mo wo ho akwakodi mu no wonko akomanto won yam na won famra no enhye won sem.
Yes. I'm a part my
was ansemi ahono enkrata afofra police for the abetu dwa no ekire mu se wono mo akire Patricia Siedu a enipa dodo na enim se wo freno na na agrada science asobo a omanfo bi ede abone se wadada wono magye won sika se obebo ho ama wonom police fo akire mu asesei wababedi wono maso ya woboa wonom amwaye sansem no mu enhwehwemu wonam sankrata iso ede atudwa se obi biara sa asobo a wode abo maame ne ho akwakodi mu no womomodin ase obekọ Accra Regional Police Command no akọbọ police for sebe obetumi aye sansem ni mu enhwehwemu.
Ene wo sansem we ya aposifo akire maame agradai ene enyani kohwade wo Heavyweight Chapel asore mande dodo no a so omo maame abu omo afa so a chese omo je omo ho anye se ombenya sika paade akofie na edene nti eno akware ye se omo ehunu no wasore ho munchire mu Adom TV etwaso
Ado kasem oje tie nim se bia mama fomrafo ne ayifo nyina yo musika e de baaye ombo wie ya asa ono ne nkofo na wasan ache sika na yede amom 74000 Ghana 700 ne asefo nyina e sika nyina de se de ahye
afedi o se leaders obi a leader meji na animu obi a leader ko je anim ne ye kwotena ase fe ye kwotena ase wie ye o se ya afedi ofini ama we mbetu we afedi last minute na akọ wie se ne nkrofo na abaji sika no every year nsem 20 back about 25 million no abeji 200 million obi so bebo no so gi 50 million e na ne sofo back odi kam ye yem aibo no ono so beji nipa municipal 50 million ne je se yen akoko ne ye ko tua se sika ne me ke so amuso ansole metua bi o ne je se yen ko ye ni hina sika de ahye na mi chai papa jai iti se nyam yo bi bese e ba se wie na fa de tinye no no sika na wanche ne kwa neja ye ka esa dia o man lolo fe ti e be pa nkofo bi chewo neja o mo kohwe no mo ji o mo ne kasa aye na o meye sala na chese obi sa oba bi a wo kololo fe 40 Ghana o be ma 10 cedi no wonje ya ene na obekọ ada se ni obeda ma ade a chance na wa ma lolo fe na wa wo se wo area ha central region ha no ne de 5 cedi no wonje ya obe bi abonte eti bi mi se no twedo no sika na de mam 10 cedi na
obi fa na mam sika
Ado kasem oje biento Adom kase no so na yen concern foforo mo na bola na se fin hu stakeholders akoso ya African Environmental and Sanitation Consult for wo mo na edi se adwumai na won bota nyina ne se yabo ya humodin ya wo waste companies ahodo a yesese se fin ne no eno wo pese wo mo tenase no mo je adwenkyere se anyenye bia no botaya ye de esi eniso se ye tufin ase ne edu hu ana ehun hye mu de yakoso e won kan Adom TV kase etwaso
any inform the cookroom I can collect data on behalf of FS Consult. So I say FS Consult, African Environmental and Sanitation Consult. We consortium on person data for sanitation also central municipality. We will be say data near required them. Just that data no actually say and be challenges be a war and if there are challenges, what can be done with those particular challenges? Organizations are more in sanitation. Example, it says Zoom Lion, ABC, like all these organizations, no, are more bossing. Okay, more you human saying. Cost on us and cost.
The sign catcher also say, any power do one make a sanctity any mono, or but 2 one ego mountains to say, yeah, or Bokaku shade you medina say. Of a Sakoyan to can be woman fool in our enemy say. One more be 2 one magu and yam one macako yajumano. When you want any sound, so say they are one majumano, a bit to your kind.
Go for air bomb home modern air cleaning on frontage on specific days. But we are airbus on a bomb who said no. Upon all the interventions, no, at this particular stage, no, even here say, you be A, you be B, you be C, and you can original inside at the air can. This particular data, no, you can see share omo active. Ye training
Penny ya one na there Tiffy North Mensi no education ano ewa hafumantemu ya maame na womi asantoa na nei maame di ya wo ne mu fi se awofo ne abatan bi ewo Mensi no emu a wo ma sukuru ko hia wo mo kapre totofe wa hofo no omo mfa ho kra na no wo kasa de atia se ko basa na ne nkra ne dache ene ye jeje mu ti wo sra awofo wo asade sa abatan be hwe wo ma ama wo sukuru agina yie akoyie no onye Adom Kasiye etwaso.
Do not attend parents association meetings, spam and the rest. A lot do not visit the school to make inquiries about their work's performance and attitude. The rates at which our female children are getting pregnant in the schools is alarming. I humbly plead with all the educational stakeholders in our district to team up, monitor our schools, advise the students, provide them with parental support to help curb this menace.
Francis Nsia and the ACC founder. Ono so kire botaye ntia wonom EDBC adesuafo no efasa entity anymore.
This conference program and executives akaya mwaboma yeye ediabwa BEC candidates any wasi graduates. At the end of the day, the person emofrano ehunu say that papa bi ewo money and ntin ye to nsafre empanifo certain personalities so mani mo emrameka sam.
Wankasa na chire no ana adesuafo bi a wabekwa akotro BEC bie ene Adom Kasema ne boni samnya sawe etwetwe nkomo.
Yenya Japan first program like
parents do not attend parents association meetings.
Also for obedi akire here wo hwe nwumasua so ye John Ntimfodwo wono anso ye mrahye begeni de ma adehye wa Sen South na nei wo de ma set 3300 pieces e de akoma asuafo ya ye hwe ni mo so obetwe BC so hwe no Adom Kasiye di akire etwaso.
Openi ono no da ACCF ano Francis Nsia enso ne Adom News etwetwe nkomo.
This conference program and executives akaya mwaboma yeye ediabwa BEC candidates any wasi graduates. At the end of the day, the person emofrano ehunu say that papa bi ewo money and ntin ye to nsafre empanifo certain personalities so mani mo emrameka sam. There will be one more. In fact, in this life no need any that's one. And through this program, I say my friend the I maybe catch him say only hope because the parents cry in nibi. And so at the end of the day, at the Siano crown on you know and you know yeah bo modi answer.
Nti wenya ne no a ti ebehwe na yenya sofo be de akire ohwe nwumasua so John Ntimfodwo a chede a wode akoma BC candidate no ye de no beba bra esemo na yeguso aye wo nwumasua emu dia na pani a wode monetary and supervision ano ewo Tiffy North Education Directorate wa hafo mantamu ye Samuel Adey wode afutuo pa na ama awofo ne abatan ya wo mo ma ba betwe BC so hwe ne say Womo hwe na technical and vocational schools ahodo no mu bi womo select ho na kobaso womo wie school a wonyansa ensa no adwuma bi so de aye Adom TV kase de sansam no ebeba na ma yento aso na yenko ensam foforo mu a Atasen Kwanta Methodist Primary School no womo de womo akosam atudwa 6 unit classroom block bi ohono mu a womo si yanwie womo sempenifo so womo mawie mfama womo na school dan a wotim enso to a na ayiri dia no odin Adom kase ni bi edin komwe
ni komo bankruptcy pani o mensire mu so eni komo
infrastructure ewa dancing staff de challenge in terms of education say na o memu nyina baby bebre no enso e de ACT wo hwa ka oba mfansi edu bi ase ne de a ekro no mu de a kakra no ye ba to be koyin nkurase ni bebre na schools ni bebre na any dan ukọ ka utirihwe obetima abo kwajeje ntumi obebo ruye aroso any nkro bebre akeka ka ntumi mbo ni nyina di ntumi se school dan wo ho no de ho aye na kakra
ba ye no as DCE in 2017 no na Howard ewo atase enti enam model bet for project so ma me saka 6 unit classroom block at the bre atase na yeguso ne contractors no ye dey kasa sisi a hu project na sa 6 unit no contractor no e dey abedu roofing stage eti yenim said ya aka no dey nye ade a eso bia yeguso no mo ye dey kasa na model bet project no ho a o how kakra bi na ye dey wo den so ebesi na me no kasa yeguso no mo ye dey edin sa wo so a enche enye eno nko a sa project no e ya wo be 9
meeting at the Isaac K Namanyo Adom Kasiye. Yene education director.
My nyina no so na ye hwesa de vema Isaac K no menyo de bana amposo na we afidi. Eno so ne ebegina na Adom TV Kasiya no pay Badwam my DC. Ni enwie show no kra fe kra na ye hyase fi said the bonkrata na e krado. Online stories no so ayema wo so. Ayet sanse de abrewo ma me kra dan mo ha. Ena fe akwasinsia Bismarck. Enso etina pakemu afia mankwata maklom so na migina hoyi. Enti yakoba ne sade na se show ne bia no ano no abra we ba kofia mpedu da chehne ene Dominic Isia boa na fe yem floor manager ai Priscilla Naman enso wa ha na Thomas ne Obedin so wa chire di ense bibia wi so for Israel mu nyina siesie ha ama esia MC Afonso e de yatum sound guy mu so apagya ne team refill di ntia na enso wo adwuma ya mi hye obi a do fo ma mu nyina akwa ba na bibia bokọ de
bokọ afia na grada na ebu nkrofo
Rondo no anasama. Tudie, ma me se bibia bokọ ho. E de nyame ase pa.
So ne ade achi a.
Ni complain.
Okay.
Ade achi de e se
eye ma me kra sa ade achi me.
Sa. Bi obi ahu ne o.
Oh yeah.
Ya no bi da
ya o nyame nsem.
Yeah. Ane no.
So da na usori ya Adom bi.
Nyame ya ye.
Ya se dana se. Se ya buwo, se mu wo won kwa wa hodin. No so wada onyame ase.
Ano pa so top and down so efepa.
Me da se. Ya mi shira.
Ma me chada mon sutini so efepa.
Ai, zigzag na won nchemu ho no.
Yeah.
To me fa to zigzag na ho na shape no wo.
Oh, okay.
Unhui.
Me eno nchire me.
Me na ne mi so nchemu ma.
Hey.
Okuma to ya. Bra biswa.
Okay.
Wow, aya mema no munko jama no wo baby yes ha na me. So what I say? We chese unko bi da.
Oh. Se ba ko ba ko ase.
Eno ya time am twempna.
Me da se. Me da se papa.
Na wa ni wie ye ne de. So ya mo se ma na wo mo wie na o ma ye o mo ho de be no mo ka ho.
Adaje.
Wo hu. Ba mo twempna de na wo ne ho adaje o.
Say no kra no me say lady.
Ene say.
Say mo twempna de bia me kan say. Love in the lady.
Eno ye mpratwe ebre no. Le bedane aware ade ne lady.
Bedane aware a your responsibility.
Very much.
Hey.
Responsibility.
Okay, mo na modu sa aja nse. Nti mo di sa nkomo.
Wa ko na nim so o di afutu a.
Be kana lo say the antias yesao. It no say do employer ho te bebrebe no.
Okay.
Ene ma bia wonim se pefe pa se keka wonku apa wonye no. But employer level na pese bia be dane aware bia oni abre o lady wo hia no. Lady we dia o se me ware ne pe.
Okay.
Guy we dia o se me ware ne pe. Ejube ni opeso ye nyina.
Zebra na no your do.
Any odo, but me say
I think to some extent me no ya
adwen,
but enye zero baby I me no nya adwen ne ye afa be dane aware a odo no be ye zero na ne aka responsibility.
Ye che wa me kan say
responsibility be do so.
Who say pen for was be ka say ensure do na ko wa hinen.
Okay.
So me che.
Okay.
En ensuo bi so tene ko bo ensuo bi so anu a enche na anu adwo.
Okay.
That speed no more dey but that love na dey but you be do that level na. And your love will be your responsibility for me to know say
bra kwesi. Wa dream.
Okay.
Wa dream na yo sa.
Okay.
Sasa de odi asha say so odi wie.
Okay.
Enti se wuntumi na men start. Because ye twempna pa na to me de me call restaurant bi kodidi.
Yeah.
Na witimi de me call one weekend bi ye kwa akochele.
Okay.
Na say ya warranty entumi nya sa ye wa dream.
That make cancer.
Kwesi de okan ye akan be so.
Okay.
Se wo sha se se de enti foundation okay me kan sa. Se foundation ni ye week a.
Yeah.
Ebebu osoro ho. Enti de odi asha se no. Eno na also odi wi o. enti mu ade wa kan me am so gina mama nyina no mama ware bebre ha
Debbie,
but
I
think
to some extent Debbie make can be a wonya ntiase me say papa ade responsible wa
akwasi
certain e can be a wo born in pride no
yes kwasi me papa
because that time e ba no, at that time, you are building a future from Kwada about what empire money.
What ja odono?
No, you never can say.
Okay, if you to some extent, no. Kwesi wo point to some extent. And
because odono yira. Responsibility level. Yeah, that's the kind of time wa empire. Now the court now be a beach. Ejiji when at that time
say beach no go every weekend.
Beach the because but
every weekend. And so betete.
That is it.
Say wo boanti na ma ware
bi. There be afia there be nyesa.
Amadu Junction hot mo ma mentie mo.
Kwasi the thing na ma ware bi egu.
There be afia there be.
Kwasi jana men kan bi.
Kwasi tie ne.
I'm pedo obi antie wo de no. But ya me ka che kwasi ne say. Ani obi a wo tie me ne say.
Yeah.
Adenti na ahase no ye na ekoduru awie de wo say responsibilities bi nti waja ye eno ne problem no
because what you me say so beti
eti akwahe
na make say so beti afia because sika na we ko tena beach no e betwa akoda bi book fee e betwa classes fee eno ti se be ko 2 a ya wade e be ko 1
tie menka wo say odo na ba be responsibility eni kwa say eno no e be overshadow odo no eye se wo ye ne kakra se o kan ne sa akra de anka me no ya adwene we kakra because we kakra ne ye ne nyina kakra ba se kura se abeye response ene ne say me we bia wo kwa abonten a wo betumi de e bia wadanfo bi wo ko worker bi wo so ene ye kwa ha kwa akotan no waje oba no ho nti ema no sa responsibility na wo kan ti de bia ma ne tifie ne ye hwe nkura na ba ma de wanya ho na wo pie yen ko kan ai show tirim se ye wo ware de abeye responsibility ani ye nyina ye ntina fie ne ye hwe omu ti e ba se ye chele a ne ye de nkura ne nyina ne ye ko once a wa bi no ope ayi granny na grandma hwe nkura yi na ye na wapie sa na me ka no na wo ka se odo na ebedu aware de aye responsibility dia ani on so ho no mo abetena fie na ono so apie no ono so akoye yenya ne sa
eti
yeah semini
okay so me zigzag no na dey come away by right okay so the person ye kire anope ne say untumi amen spell it right but definitely so nkola bemu a anabeda na yiri wi a ye bekwa yi ebusuafo hia ye be senti say bia na nka every weekend bia mpratwe no moko mupia afi ebeba be ye every month sa na won so pa kire
we dey ameka
and if you answer kire say e ma ore fi say ye twempra no na ye pie
na bi
meboa e wo bra beda ne aware no
yankura wasede bia no e wo se wo ye te se bia na
responsibility no
kra no e sha se wo mpratwe mo
me responsibility bi on side
no kwasie
se me no twempna
se kwasie tie de na wo ye no wo mpratwe no mu bia no wa ware mu so kra ye ne sa because se first pa wo ye ko salo na utimi kokko oge ko salo na utimi koja na e na de ntina wutimi nko so wo come market na wudi na chi
a na me ka jo se me sit and na ye ka say se na me ji 100 Ghana cedis
wa ba munti
and ya wa ye mpratwe be na esumia the same 100 Ghana cedis ya wa de be ensume
e oboa na me se oba kra nyi sika
no so wa de pa de about tim ye say uko chamber ho even wo single room atem no because when him say afed ye emu ebie
na me se enye sika
o ma ye different from aware
wo sika fine ba sika ni nya no nko ani solution
once a sika se mu afia
wo say sa wo je 100 cedis na aware a responsibility ntia so ate na me che say so wo ba wo na asase oba no fa ye wadanfo no wasa ye o yire a my dear sika sam kra de enhye danye wonimu botom ansa na wono wote ase aware
so you have to be responsible to make sure say o yiri ko gina bonti me o ka say hwe ya pam the best school fees abra wo se wo mpra twe na otiti beach also ko 4 times in a month na me ka kire wo say se wo ware a me pa che wo your responsibility responsibility comes ahead of be what aware
every day yes and ye kan no but me what some na wo kan ye na mpese sa because me sure say obema bi so sa cha say wunya ware ye wi a na fe wo sum ye na atifie na de wo no ye
kwa afia eti make say bia wunya ntire make na so Sameka responsibility na. And just oba no tenafie, ko oba no tenafie efie bebo. Responsibility no oba no tenafie ebebo.
Dia wo kan ye no
also oba no supie ko fa bi be so so.
Emema bi wo ho no mu a, wo mu wo a, asa oba no kwa responsibility.
Say.
Omo awo no, asa oba no nko a, enra ayi kenkan be. Obi frey omo anfrey guest ni bi omo ye drama no mayo no. And one more cheer to a chair all the country, no say, me chia me mammy. Afraid fish, no, eh. Now, would they maintain so be a edicanca say, me chia me papada. There's a mammy, no, and I'm saying, because a crano, one year in a do who and first, eh, the mammy. Or best shot did be as a mammy, me one yes, papa in your jumo, papa in your juma. But then, papa Jean, you know, so Hoko Pisca, or Poco Pisca, or Sasa, and see, Oko Piscano, a crano, so I know Pebia and the mammy no who know. Enti nya so obu manim tia na asa ne papa nhwe ye wo be ma bi so wo ho no mu a ono so ye adwuma te so oba no kra ye hu no be ma no nko na bre bi obehu no enti eno de dem ba ko enti kwasi so wasam na wo ka say odo empratwe mu no odo no ede na edu aware mu a responsibilities ni enti no mesro yes sa ya adwene na sa de etie e wo ye empratwe mu no
eno na ama enne aware bebre egu because emema bi ntimi hwomma enano yete a ne ka abofre yi a na ya buni ye o kan nyina sika wo fie a sika wo fie ena me ka se wo ye bema me patcho mema mutie ne se wo ye bema na se ebe otim so be ware a sa chilling na chilling bebre wo mpratwe be no teso. We have to be responsible to your family. Be responsible to your family. Make sure say you build a future from Kwadana who do mo ebe no mama da ne tosom. Ama aufreti yase.
Kwesi on wo se san wanu o.
Me se san ma na me say employee eye odo. Aware eye responsibility. I'm talking about what leads.
Ni nyina ka ho.
That's employee ka wasabi. Odo na ka wasabi kwa employee responsibility wom. So no ba litua onyo na betua. And I know about you, Upia, no Nabitia. What Nabitia? That's responsibility. But let me tell you, I'll emperor. And you're done.
And you see, my mechan, to me, a man's spelling.
Debbie,
so what I say,
Debbie, if you see any house, member bread, say, ever sell Quada, or no, every Brahma member form because of chilling.
Where's he? Ubakra water.
You can't slip quiz, slip quiz, as someone say, our because of the fiabo.
Kwasi eja kasa no na akra na wo tete no de wode na ehia no eno na de ne kro enti se wo ba be fa me gala mesi so na ne matwatwa ne ma so na wajeje me so oye mi sei na afa ye ware na me nhuna then later wo betena se no wajeje
wo nhunu de
tie onye
sa de chele no eso beti na me kam me tell me see responsibility na make no any love no in these two separate no empratchie to me love LED aware to me responsibility LED and so say odono every one but yet odono every one them the focus near how to build a busiana who come no how do you build a busiana you build a busiana with a responsible life no build a busiana with a responsible life
enti de bia no asim na akọ responsibility na akọ
enya sanity responsibility no oba de kwa so ntena because oba de tena fie a esika de kwa so
oboa kwati
oba de tena fie a
ja na kwa
sika no enso
oboa
we say anya ne sa awari bebre egu ema bebre so mu ne mafiri wokuru mu nchen
kwasi enti na awari ni bi gu
all because
we say de ne sase no enya no de ni wie kwasi jai
obama bi asa ne niema
wo de e na ayi love no e na be responsibility oba na ti asa nya obi a my dear jai na wo yesa egu obi aware den
enwa ware fia
me say de enwa ware mi ade men spell
enwa ware so ukofo ba chilling e wo na ni su a ni obenya no
na say yesa
that is it
no dia
it tells you say it is how ukofa dia then tells you say that's the kind of family you are building. At the first time say o kire me say ye twa wada pa e me kan che ofiefo say ofiefo na mo anya wa mobra but so ti ase say ene ma ware or say me free single room eko chembe home dia then it tells you say ene wa warranty sa beach na akotena every week no or say esote na wo say sika ni bi Now the FCC efie
me problem
efie enye sa
okay
so odon ne chile bi woni wa wa de be gua
ba me chese still odon any
ba me chese de
me wo mi anu nyina fa
now they kwa wanim now ma me kasa mate odon kakra na responsibility
me wo mi anu nyina fa metie mo mi anu nyina
ene de aya ne
de mo kwa ware e na mo kasa enti metie mo that na me boam na mkobia na afi me ma samu yi aye toto ho but me wo mu anu nyina afa de kire se wo kwa na kola nse wachi a onantie ne wasede nko e na sakola nso se wachi a onantie ne wasede nko to the extent say etire bi wo hokra ebra akola nse wachi no utumi ye etire bi wo ho a akola be se wachi pe wo se de bia na wa kekere enti enema di adane e wo bra na ema bia sesa nanso no so nkyere se aduane a ode tetemie no afa ya atemese ase no afa na abaka se ne bo kosoro enti me wo mu enu nyina afa but on the most serious note no me ti na kofa asemi bayo but whatever it is no me jedi say yesua bibi nso afrim enti se wo ye kunu bi na o ye ya warranty ye de ben na minye say ebegu fie saa nso na wo so ye yiri bi na se kane no na e bansaw no wo pese wo ko obra no a enei e masaw no a eno so emfa enti eye balancing yesua de anamboa efia ne opani kwesi 6 pound cha no pay that say
ye no
mama yesua de
enti agrada nso ebu nkrofo
oh kwesi Ude huko biara.
Enti nyambo afisem agrada. Ma metena sia. Na ya wa hwe be frɛ akwasi ase because as owo you interest room. Say ya bu na fa ho no wa para ro be.
Agrada asem.
Baptist ni de. Agrada ti.
Enti enie menu anom ye nyina so ne mfansi ho. Na isa agudi mu nsam Professor Ike wala say ba aba betwa so wi a. Ene ya duada Sister Sunday bi ye ono so de beba na fe fisem agrada o se o mo se o ye women's name o se bibi ma me so betena se na person mu aba ba bi o man wo bi a ye chia no pay ye chia wo ne na busua nyina nso ti ye kɔ na fe dwumadi nkaye atwa so
akwa ba kese bi de ba Adom TV so Adom TV so be dwumadi so dia wo kan si wo sempa sa kana no pansu ja medin de Enoch Kwesi Wolanyo Wallace agudie catch back up the only nomenclature of professor's degree in sports the Al Regina Wallace the nation's presenter and amazing kunya ekono kwanten kwadin sama do ensa kana no penso e wo Ghana agudie eja o hye no soma msanyuma koni miensa wo mo na abo misika dwetreme na no penso den komon eba one expert have always told you that betting is better than sakawa bet the intestine we change so twade before and audi ni before na mo bet with money that you can afford to lose sika ira enye oya no ene edi twa bet ope bet dia one expert ni one dance dia che na oba intense wo fie na hye den tuom ka de but obi abone dance ni na ne se wo manyo financial freedom ene chairman ne masa no magai mesre wo bomodin da fa ho je one expert bitia boa emaniama etia tutu ye dia ma je fast message do tatahwi so se syphilis candidiasis white fever na so di po na chwa edure proper rawa na omna bo kama ema otimi di nchine bomodin da so be ko eba shops ne pharmaceutical shops ne musabetia ka je fast message eno ene do ba kwa infections de etu asese tete ukwa ebetia boa maniama etia tutu ye dia ma sedimo gel and roll on makacha leader your ultimate pain relieving gel monsanka bi ukwa tema ashama share so enye na krabetia fempanyfo 0208986731 na on sedimo gel and roll on yendwetwe enkomo a journey of 1,000 kilometers begins with the very first step in chassis and fi World Cup warm up ene ye konfie makomako be se dumienu 12 years ago match ba kwa Ghana ye chi Serbia fotwa meka ba kwa omo ete so amantian santi 2010 FIFA World Cup akensi no e ba so South Africa Nelson Rudolph Mandela Chrome ewo African soil so na ye ba ne se nanwada azofufu bo marketing de money 20 santi mu ewo Africa na CAF Confederations Cup ye draw mobile nti omo transfer hwe se be betia bo akensi ni yimu de ne kakra ana hazofuk ni AS Real Bamako e de akensi ni 20 pem so na ohwese na nema si koya e de akensi ne boss 90 minutes ne buy no hazofuk ni ashom femfram madi kamensa omo ye ya na se utimi sampa okona den e de makra hazofuk se dwo manuchu e wa mane ebo no
osa hodo miensa ene to hazofuk atene mu a AS Bamako ena no memene da no omutwi fa hazofuk fo isu We a CAF Confederation Cup ade ho yimu no. Na wa obebo ho modene no. Group stage no wakwa kopie mu hobi. Nti we ye first leg atudwa e o Mali ahinkro Bamako mu a. Phobia mrante no omante asem de. Emrante Sabra meka se mabepie o my Ghana mu a. Ena wie o mo hya ho boase se na be ye na wotwe wie ye. De toso mienu no. O magina nkrampopo no mantem ago prama no so. No mo ni AS Bamako fo e de aboso.
Nti as of for abedu nkramponi mantema mo hwanim som de ahosese ne betua sa to so nyame adoma wo mo e de return leg na second leg encounter de betua sa tentam so yes Bamako wo mo anachi as of for twom 3-0 e wo CAF Confederations Cup 2022 against Kesia edi kan to fam de ma has of no David Uklu ona na ekita team na wo hwa boa e ma niama etia koyi e de ma Accra as of for hye no so mam se Samuel Bodu na no ada omo ene na eton kwanta pae nti ne hwese Mexico so coach foforo kra ana watua sa ba coach no so when a records are or the rule has to book a catcher and said that you to a palatable, Yamadoma, who come over battery. But here come our Ghana Football Association President Kate Edwin Simon Kraku, we share chairpersons of the Regional Football Association. Now, review ongoing activities are a bit in Sambwa, and my goodie, as we transfer Santia Chimenkin, our Ghana.
I mean, so you can talk of the Academy Young Refereeing Policy. You can talk about the borehole projects that's been implemented in the region, and that once we have water available, we can make our pitches green, and that will also aid in the development of the game by way of ensuring that we play on good surfaces, and it also help with coverage. And there were other things that we discussed. I mean, you've seen the performance of the Academy referees this season, where they've officiated in the Women's Super League. They also officiated in the Division 1 competition, which usually is a prelude to the start of the season. And so we looked at ways of trying to improve on some of these policies. And like I said, I mean, it's been a very long day. We've looked at some of the challenging areas. We've looked at how to support the clubs in terms of footballs and all that. And I'm pretty sure that we're on the right track, and we'll definitely get to our destination in no time.
Yeah, I would say it's very impressive and very encouraging, because looking at the rate at which girls are into football these days, you can arguably see from schools, the junior high schools and the senior high schools, who are really taking part in women's football in the region. Some time back, you can see that those who actually are deeply into football. So I'll say it's very encouraging.
The development in terms of football has moved tremendously in this administration. When you talk about the coast, especially I'll start from coast, there was nothing like coast when I resumed office. But as we speak, we talk about under 13, about 150. When you talk about under 17, about also 140. And when you talk about under 15, 160 plus. And this is the 2 seasons they have played so far, and you could see the excitement in it. So when you come to coast,
and the Regional Football Association, Omo Hesna and Kate Edwin Simon Kraku, Ghana Football Association President, when you are able to put na film so Edio Moncomo 8 major. We soon a major na and then Masoda and BC we can see maybe see. Senusman say one expert have always told you that betting there it is better than soccer way back. But more than that, so don't bet in gym. Try one expert I didn't before on our corner. The first semester do near there, or more than that, some sabiting can be say a be a tattoo in terms of infection there. It be if you're sediment gel and roll on. Your ultimate pain relieving gel, Monsanke be no subiti aboa, e maniama etia to tweet them. We mo and sponsors no. I can see a womote chiri boa, men no pensu dia o kensi un sempa in saka timijao. Within the Enoch, Kwesi, Wolanyo, Wallace, a good catch back open of of course. Evidence based presentation timijao. We so su die, Nyaka we chine doson, Kosamo Fidino, and Adom TV so it's ansem komono. A bed. The act of being a good guest is to now to say goodbye.
So for me mo akwa baba Badwam ahosepa dwumadi so na ye twetwe nkomo ye se ni guru bekasa na se na network no him ne pa no me se meto ache no na ye ne na kasa Joy Fine for studio ni abehan ye hu dede na wote wa achire no me dey the sister stand to be a guy my friend na nari afi badodo na friend no guru hi Abranti akwa basho
Obai ma meje so.
Once a sign you still as I have from years now still now your turn out here.
See a position.
Anyway, we more I didn't pay. You also the new one be a baby because I'm common so. Answer no. Recently I know bini me checking come about Guru and nani pane can hit songs back to back. Next question ni pani beside a Guru cry mama na award that. But we are no money pan or shame.
Ya mami be paying. Yeah, don't me back, which is Hip Life Song of the Year. Maybe I see I may buy Ghana music, no. Yes.
On all the hit songs, ne Jumedia with Diama Ghana and Yum Jumedi no.
Sa I was a bass body near dear mammy.
In fact, yeah, sorry, not ye Nantini and Chichin Como. You grew Ben Nantini Atwa and Common. So I'm talking about on society or who what do you do to keep up? Is it training? Is it drugs? Is it dieting?
Yeah, I was already sure did him. And I'm offended, yeah, not yet the work. But it's me caught when one show who see ya. Because me share said, yeah, baby, me free banner. Who me mashasi anenye. But she say, na is in your peonia bidi. We bo papa is we are nam ni win bebre but ya funo hihye mum na no so die ne na ka ho nti eno so exercise so ya de a ebo ma keep up nti ya de a me
Guru Amai back about how to look young because I've known him for so many years. No why what's na kese na why but you still look so handsome.
No correct.
Ghana music and Kofoka say music ejuma music ejuma ebi mu di sifie no mu di ye maka kraka o share that motion with them say music ejuma like you can really make money e your system we more Ghana has say
music the easy way to make riches, easy way to make millions. There is no other job. You're not even omanpenyini ejuma as being omanpenyini in the office and making more than the musician. But na hanum no you say a group as a joke. But right now Crawford or Mukra the billions. Right now you rank top riches like the billionaires. You get musicians are more making more money. To me my funny World Cup from day one as business. Into keeping up more important to me. Into na I always make sure say the corporate side of the business it play a role. Yeah.
Music as a business, I cheche ho enkomwe. Mosha ye industry na. Omo the emotions ye I heard your conversation with KMJ mo, IB mo. Omo the emotions ye juma high system no cry ye juma ma musicians ni.
Yeah. On say yen Crawford no the industry players so called omo working more with emotions. Okay. They think say sometimes they will stand on their positions to cut you off, but they cut themselves off because when the industry is not growing, not because of the industry players, but the artists, the whole focus goes back to music and itself as an entertainment. But if you, the people holding the positions, making sure that the artists grow, the right things are being done, the deserved person is being awarded, what happens is industry no grow, no cribem. But you have all the emotions are to home, until free the professionalism, the ethics of the game. Judge don't judge people who don't rule based on emotions. Yes, I did anchor. Go be a better Jew. But based on the ethics of the work, you do that. By your industry players now your mom say, oh boy, we my friend for sure. They be over hand one chairman. Oh we boy we me here no crew more there. That like that. And the idea be or the man oh banso ani ya plant ya plug it that will be free industry no more. So they could see you and be like, yo, I could cry and we want you be 2 years. emotional industry players, and is idea to me say they should know better.
It's almost one advice to these musical players and as music players and the gatekeepers on the industry for one advice. If
Based on how they work, I don't see them as gatekeepers. They are emotional kind of entities with a chance of being on TV. So everything works with emotions. I say they act like kids. Abofra what tapping is here and I say obisi but penino tapping na obetimi position say yo means. So if they live like that, trust me, I'll be like, wow, we are growing. But as it stands now, wait because we show the bear 5 minutes or Maha will be the bear 30 minutes. So they kind of like acting because of how no one sit here. So no me cooler. That means also you have to, yeah. That means you have to do what they like, and it shouldn't work like that. Industry should be a program stage where we know left and right, who we are pushing, who deserves. But Sani Mano do momo until from the pundits, people that comes on show to speak of artists, and then the people are almost holding the space down. Oh, artists be mraho boy boy and almost the artists need be ajo girls.
Yeah, I said no. I critical. Girls in the girls singing now.
Oh, we was you guy we call me girl. That means more be a money show. Then you me show you so, and it's emotional pundits, emotional producers, managers. And then the whole media houses, emotions. Oh,
yes, if you my emotions, na yeah, Juma Dodo na yani Guru na checking come away one-on-one, quick one with Guru because never see any checking come on Zoom but network, it's my watch no the new one be abetumo si enkoye. Nsem ne bebre ba se bebe nkoye no yembo hit songs ne so ne emfa videos ne hihiem na enkofo hu Guru adwuma waye my favorite odomedika ne bema odomedika ne bema la pasto yembo la pasto yo
boys are bre
chen boys are bre akaida boys are bre akaida na de hebo
bonsamani
me de mesawo bonsamani what hit
yeah yes you mean why are you up to now
are you aware hey
me je me sambo waji misika die me je me samba go hona say we
and I didn't patch up
80,000 in a video, and right from the beginning you bet my fly all the way to any starting agenda of Dubai me cry me yenu me ho because ama tourism tourist attraction because Yemahoye too glamorous, and everybody wants to go there because we're spending too much, or because you're going in a desert. So
now started our agenda, no shooting music videos in Dubai, and now why my tourism in shift to Dubai. So say it's a travel downtown, but I can videos. Did you spend so much on music videos? Spend this cap?
Of course, more than hundreds of thousands. Mekai Dubai, we shot like 2 videos. And it cost us a lot. It's me moving here to South Africa. Yeah, I shoot polo swag natural. What the quality no? Yes. Your body no hoka. Your bought content no hoka. Until it got to the time the TV stations, the likes of other TV stations, the international ones, emailing me to get my content viewed on their station, and in here most of my songs hits across Africa, not because of me call Shishom Debbie. And I can we see the Philly Gabon Sports Stadium.
Charlie, what boy you Philly Gabon Sports Stadium?
Videos no, and I make us make us say Liberia for so chance here, because here you hit to Cote d'Ivoire, Nigeria, La Paz, Utah was so big. Yeah, boy Juma,
Yamin Shao na yanko. And you now they are new. But first of all, some people are here, they want to wave you. Wave Guru, wave no come on, yes sir. Mami ho feel you nyom pan. Ne nyom dey pan now feeling no. La Paz Toyota. I don't know. Me also imagine how much on say wave you. And you now they are no. So bear 2 lines mama na in the Hong Kong.
Yeah. we enkoyi enkoyi
sorry say me try say chom me say bread patch wave why or no wave or there wave the bag no nkz me who say o ma hwe wa nti we are picture bi there ebesu guru fans nkwana egu ha say sa no egu ne na twetwe enkomo nti enkoyi no to 2 lines because ensem bi wo ho ne mbisa kakra
me kabra na me to madakatrin kofi jumona ne mameti ashama wabo bra ma video toyi me se be me shebre mu ashoma e kan say na sen ya ne be fa no ko jaman wabo bra o cast bi dem me se me te kwahye me ha me wofa so atama to fitem.
So where is the political whole thing about it? People are omodanyomni related to politics say as oboma aban bi meantime shada can say two lines na yentie asa ya abrabo mu nsem obi oti area bi
on say enyum no de me part na maye no nyina so amigina so to ye na maka no which is abrabo mu a me fam ne madam fu bi so wahala bi o fam na me de abo na nyum e relate nti kwan ya obefa so relate yes say relationship enkoyi atubi wo ho say ukunu oh na dwuma sem nkoyi atubi enkoyi ofre dwuma ba no start igbohia no oh and say oh hustle so it could be trotro driver, it could be anybody and all parts, all kinds of organization say koyi amonto yeah
because kofopi related to current state of what yes I'm going to relate it because I mean people are saying say unkoye. So what do you make of this whole new government? I mean government what is to say or what do you make of it
now? What
aish
yo I can't say say koyi or no and say whoever e kan ho enim enkoyi so a unim yes ekoyi and enkoyi any betu be
no question of the day koyi ana enkoyi guru any no cheche nkomo mami nja kwan na ye nja ne kwan ka bye guru no ye kwagna na
ye anka say adwen pa ene ya na motu but no kwasem sa no pay ye tete he baby enkoyi ba se be koyi no so no e fa ho wo hie ni da ho enti ye sre nya me se omaye ntiase ene enida ho ena afa hunumu ni nyansa na se nkoyi mpo a enkoyi ma efi se anano covid buy no ho na ye wiase yade o but enipa bi bu nkonta kire ne nam covid so a omde ayeyi a ebeje wonsam ye bedin komo na ye nkomo a ye ba bedi no eno na bra guru bra pani ma chie wedi kan eti ho ama o se enkoyi no wo de mama fa sa happy birthday nsemi Emma enuanom na say wi a na ne enti a bra pani bia no sama ye no wa ma ya tiase happy birthday nko my sister Rhoda Chum wo se hwiaka so honorable asiedu say happy birthday to you Miss Sandra Kakpon so say men can share my you say happy birthday nko my your hairdresser Tema Newtown right in front Presbyterian Church Tema Newtown happy birthday to you we efi Miss Sandra Akakpo into your session and him no identity ebebro Rebecca Becky menena na wejimem ha anopa o make sure say mirror no be clean ani na kwagina ha danda me ho ansa me wie so akoko no ene tea no na ode atata me to de bi kra me sente Becky ne de minidi Becky ya de Becky ene ye ne mama birthday Becky o si mama din de say atia so Becky o si mama din de say Lydia Mano, Mama Lydia Mano, wo bubu asi happy birthday to you. Ye da se me gidi se de wo mu no ntete no, ebi na ade ama Becky a, ye ne do te ha yi ade bia, o ma adwuma ye, eye smooth. Nti mama happy birthday to you. Obi bia so ene enso ye wa woda no happy birthday. Enko enfama na wonim. Ye ntie Kofi Agye, ne ensan hwe ye ne so ade, afa ye wi a, obeti ase de nti a, ye se enko yi no. Na yedi nkomo na wie so a afa ni etikra na yedi san nkomo yi sofo pani salasi na me fendi kan ya na se efo na se but o de yebedi nkomo ntimpa cha ma me ne Kofi e sha se hello Kofi mpa cha ma che
Jesus
na come to say
Nyame adom na me so
Nyame adom yeso ye ho ye enti no na te se nra no opa asem no nkyere mu nti ina akwa asori fi ho
Sala pepe.
Ana ukohu de empacha o.
Ada be kwa no na ade a ogusu ha. Amoya asori. Na asori manu bi so. Ewo no mo omba bejo musika se de ma amene ehso mo bono. Nti sala pepe ana the course was na CID for the last was so dem wa. Omo se bia mo ya na pata chino. Anu chino omo take care of the statement is as said the police for the garden got about to just omo investigation. The police for ba house omo say omo nya man for the na much of statement. Na manya the course sankasa and I said and some ma many e catch omo the course was of the on tiena na me am an gas before the class ma kuma ku in the buyer in the do alumina atom wogu on patemoa and don't want to be ho no mu do go pe no mo pe no ma introduce na okata victim no ma the particulars na ma the telephone number na the CN ma tabu ko mu to be a statement and then na e course wa na asale so do mu so mo ya omo ya sara asale ya to bi bija no ja ma ku ba to le ba ko di ya ba mun kale ko di ya ba na asale ma no be to kale
ko fin ba cho se dai so fu preacher no aye dai so ko di ya ba
o ko di ya ba
no mo twen no e yo mo beji o musika no no mo twen no na sa asore ma na nkasa ba asore no
asole man me omo ma ba ni ya o
okay anka ma e no de e bia ye o ma sore nhyehyeye nti fine that's okay but u ko ho no o de we ne sisi a asafo ma wo mo ye asore man kasa wo asore fie ho no pa cho de we ne sisi on be ye sei
o e da de o hwe enipa e ba na do na enche da no so exactly e ba sa no mo bufu e de edmudi kan ko ye ana asole man na ho no de bita ka se no ni pa wa so de mo nya no nipa be oha be 100 de ombedu ebe bi CID for
eno no omo amano no ho eno ye omo amano no
omo amano no
ena wo mo so na omo beji wo musika no na omo so hwa omo dodo be yesei
o era me ka se no ni nipa egu oni nya na wa so de mo no
okay
eno kwanya me no mi se ma me na ka san so wo sai o se sika gare me no ye emrantia no de omo ye sika gare no se oba na ba sika gare na tama no so mbo so mo oba maybe ojo fast charge o se ba mo ho ma no oba ka cho se bi akofa nkukodie be oha ebra na koto kan de we kofa petekosia na ekofa dan chamrabo enti sa ne man wanya bia ma obensa o to Jesus kan o se kofa ejiri polo di na wanya bia ma no okope no ma sa amrante na bo amrante ni nyina amrante a me no ka sei odo ma sa ba so le o mo sa yes amrante na ebo no ba wa so le
oh okay
eti e ba se ya obi ansuro because o kan wan kan wa hwani ya uja na ya se oburu because na se no o ti na amrante no still alo mo da so bo spa mu spa so lo na se mu no mo gari aso le na ke bi obi nti ma me na tu tra tin enti anu ebu o kan no ye interview ohu be misru wa ri ana ma me no wa ma na boys na ba bo me
okay
ya do na no de no mo wo abonten ana bi so ate janchi ono wo janchi ono ana na nanu mo hemfuno so ayo pusu ba mi ne dan bi ewo no janchi ne so ababra e be fasa ono na bi na so abochenku ono mo a ono na police for no bi so wa omo take omo statement awo asole man kasa omo no ma dress because e ma ko no mo na kanto ma akọ and that my go for there no mo be there biasa ni be biasa amudo mo yotu do mo members angaza za mo na kale no e ya kale ba ko a no mo
Kofi ye hwe ni sei waka bibi a ye fa hwa de wo sekane no a na wo ye konfo na no ye sika gare no ukwa e bia kofa nkukodwie bra wanya na chese de wo de ba ye ono je no ahye because ono de nka obe ya amawo na wo na wanya ho akade no ama sese wa be ye sofo wo mo asesi a no na omo se omo koje om sika ye Christopher yi ana ye agidifo yi eto de bi ye kwa asori a yetumi ka cha ye se fa gidi etu anamon na dua bibi ana se so seed na nyame bibi a wo hwe anim no nyame be ya amawo eno de ye Christopher fam a me ye Christo de anim no se eno no nya ukọ ofi ana de kon no onsaka nyame de ne de bia mreda ho kakra na we no sese ofi konfo be ye sofo no ɛdeɛ na ɔgye wɔm ɛna ɛdeɛ na ɔka so ɔmo kɔfa mmra a sese ade ko na nkwa ba akɔyɛ kadan
yɛne ɔmo so twe nkɔmmɔ no asa ɔmo kyerɛ sɛ wɔn sɛ maame ndi ka di video ɔkɔtɔ ne ɔno ne TV station so bɛka sɛ ɔbɛkyɛ 3 billion ɛnka ne sika ne 300,000 cedis a wɔyi sika no bɔndo wo sɛ ne bɔndo baako biara ba na wei no yɛ 200 Ghana cedis nti bɔndo maako 15 ɛde num biara ayɛ 100,000 Ghana cedis ɛnka ne sika 1 billion nti ɛno na ɔka sɛ ɔbɛkyɛ ɛde ama asɔre ma no nti obiara mmra baabi a obiara abra na bɛgye saa sika no bi ho kyɛw ɔtɔ adeɛ nti ɔmo yɛ na ɔmo twetwe nkɔmmɔ kyɛ sɛ ɔmo bɛdu asɔre dɛm hɔ ɛna maame no ɛyɛ asɔre wie yaa na ɔkye yɛma afɔleɛ nti afɔlebɔ no a ɔmo bɔ no ɛna ɔte 1,000 2,000 nti ɔmo wie no ɛna ɔkɔfa saa sika yɛ ɔsɛ ɔbɛkyɛre bɛgu hɔ no ɔkɔfa bi bɛgu hɔ bɛyɛ maako num bɛgu hɔ ɛna ɔse wo a wɔ 2,000 no fabra na bɛgye sika no bi wɔn strategy no nti wei a na ɔde ne sika kɔ afɔ ɔde sika kɔ a ɔsi gyina hɔ afɔ mu wie no a wɔn gyi sika sika nyinaa wie na ɔse afe deɛ yɛ ba bɛyɛ no competition nti na ɔfɛ na sɔlema no maako enum bɛgyina hɔ ɔno ane members enum bɛgyina hɔ sɛ wɔn obiara 20,000 kuta 2 bi ɛnka ne sika 200 million sɛ wɔawɔ 5,000 wɔawɔ 5,000 no fabɛtu maame na ogyina hɔ no wɔasɛ wakɔsɔ ne ɛbafɔ yɛ sɛ o yɛakɔfa konya bɛtena hɔ fa 100 Ghana wode 100 Ghana ba bɛtu nipa na ɔte so no eti saa times na ɔde kan wie obiara ho awie ma obiara sika asa ɛde saa strategy ne sɛ bɛba fɔleɛ sɛ bɛyɛ wei taxes bi bebree eti owie no ɛna ɔkɔfa saa sika no bɛgu ɔno ɔte wo a wɔ 55,000 no fabra na bɛgye bɛtu maame na ɔte ha no na bɛfa sika no kɔ
Kofi ya
no obiara sika sa ɛna ɔno ane church members no na afafo nkitɔ no bi na ɔno asa ama ne sika na ɔde aba na ɔbɛgye 200,000 Ghana 20,000 Ghana cedis 200 million na ɔmo asa de akɔguɔ eti kyɛ sɛ ahɔhoɔ no ɛbaa no deɛ obiara no onya 1 Ghana cedis kora de kɔfie
Kofi enti ahɔhoɔ no na ɔmo kɔdan ka no ho
ahɔhoɔ na ɛkɔdan ka no
ɛne Kofi yɛ da se wae nyame hyɛ yɛda se nti videos no na wo ho o TV no so on sɛ ɛhyɛ da anya video abetumi ahu ne yie because said the Kofi che no ono okoye mesem wo hokukura camera sɛ oyɛ Adom TV reporter brothers na egu hɔ no wɔn bebiri mu no nti ofa kwan bi so na wo twa yɛ nti na wo ma ohu ne sa no but o de nti wo ma mo ho akam ne so kakra mra mpacho
tie ni se bia mama fomrafo ne ayifo nyina yi musika e de baaye ombo wie ya asa ono ne nkofo na wasan ache sika na yede amom 74,000 Ghana 700 ne asefo nyina e sika nyina de se de ahye
afa de o se leaders obi a leader mejina animu na obi a leader ko gina nim ne ye kotena ase fe ye kotena ase wie o se ya afa de Kofi ni ama we mbetu we afa de last minute na akọ wie se ne nkrofo na abaji sika no every year nsem 20 back about 25 million no abaji 200 million obi so bebo no so gi 50 million na ne sofo back odi kam ye yem aibo no ono so beji nipa municipal 50 million ne je se yen ahokwo ne ye ko tua se sika ne meke so amuso ansole metua bi o ne je se yen ko ye ni hina sika de ahye mami jai papa jai iti se nyam ye obi be se e ba se wie na fa de tinye no no sika na wanche ne kwa neja ye ka esa dia o man lolo fe ti e be pa nkofo bi chewo neja o mo kohwe na o mo ji o mo ne kasaaye na o maye sala na chese obi sa o ba bi a wo lolo fe 40 Ghana o be ma o 10 cedi no wonje ya ene na o be ko ada se ne o be da ma ade a chance na wa ma lolo fe na wo se wo area ha central region ha no ne de 5 cedi no wonje ya o be bia wonte
Ghana for maso odin Evans champion international ministry also for Agrada sorry for now and say enra anajo that was Friday and then Saturday o wan be sorry but there is a confusion you see wa jim go sika bajo kasa
me bajo ye ba sorry na
Also, Bama Yiska. Why do you be 20 million, 10 million, 5 million? I didn't confuse baby. We are not also the Bama one car amount. Let the program be played now.
Okay. Intimate no can I say? Okacha mo say no.
Said the auto scratch no ebisa say mete de okay ase am so mete say amenti ase because mama ba ko no kasa ya ansa na wo fa yi a wa hye ne suit yi be kasa yi na che say according to mama no wo mo akoba for ya ma lorry fair kro mo de be ko mo fie no wo mo ni bi enti se ba bia ofi ba he no wo lorry fair ne 40 cedis a ni ahwe ni ama atengana eno ni ehu bobo etu na say wo nti ase a ene no akodede epo so na da kakrai no akohye Bishop Pacho Martini akwaba
ya oba
na Bishop yeni komo ye me who dey me dey feel so asam no say me be chesika eti bra na ko wi ase no me dey na mbeche me dey abekere won so say I me ba beche ama o de wani ehu but ko wi ase no fa o de ebeje so ho akoye say me bo a fa o de ebeje so for esi wa so dem o eti na ma oti ha no pay because me who asem you see to the extent say na said ye na wo no the so for na say
ye fa aseda manya kopon say ye wonkwa na enchia ohefo no atifo
ojo so da say
ensem bi wa ba me sure say anopay eno ajampedu akachire me no social media
okay
enti manya na ntie say approach for area enti approach for area mu ntie nyai ehode ma approach for ne mom no mintufu general
okay
eya me hu de nipa nipa minim de ha eni epebi omo so me Christopher abrabo no hebo no kakra kakra na am se nipa April hono ye hu we Peace Chapel fie be yaduo no ni
Mateo
wache akwatia sunyene enkoko mekura massive yo betra oboso be se ensia
that time na me ye service for Peace FM
yes
as an intern
yes and na obi hu ha oti adu ha obi frame me a bishop me pa mama da mo number na masre na mo kan asema na masre abrabo no enkakrakra as a matter of fact Israel for ekoke na asase so na onyankopon enim se asase o de ma Israel for so ka kire mo se Joshua se ne nipa no ti asase no so area no tienti no eja pade no de ba mo so e be enkakra o say you take it little by little abrabo no life they say is progressive attainment bibia woni mre enti de maka na say na meka no de all process for say be jama wo ne mo enani pa ba say ye ni pa ne pre ho dodo me di so for me di mfie aduonu mu nso
okay
me start be mfie be dunai makanya mesam eya konfie be aduanan afa mpo na adom hai kakrakra me no ba bia
da so kra gina kwan ho na say la pass
na de ni pa wadro
na me hwe odi
yes ye no ba bia enti no trobia se na kan me sure say osofo odifo na onyam nipa ona sori wa mechikire amfiri ba bi wa anchikire media masoro me ye ni sei pene se dem pese me ye masoro ono no so we na soro sei enti obi fere nyam na obi nyina ho na ada na okoye ndi wakwa wie na ode adewa menkase ma de ebi ade kan suppose for ehwe no e no kura menkase e papo ne mom no enipa aba no ye problem o kan no kore kire nipa hompe o kire no hompe ewi ase abrabo sikanya ubenye sikana be hia na be edi kan o yo Kristo ni wo ye dwumaden
okay
adwumaden mi ho yi me ye so for Peace Chapel me wonyuma be ye mienu me ire ye wonyuma me ensa
okay
me ire wo shop me ye wen kakrakra enti gese yesu enu bo so me so no na so kra emfa pe na ye 10 na ye betu amaka nti me re na madidi na so bi didi da Okay. E bo nkrofo nso. Enti adwuma den akanfo se ebu musu abaso. E no nyame asem samo anso kire se de oye bi ebe fa nsa ye adwuma. Okoteselo ne straight an ensanya adwuma meni di. Enti adwuma den ene nyame so papa. Ena disika bre nipa. Ona menti ase you sit down and then you think say o kire be enya sa abrabo eye kakra Bible no kasa osenkafo timi ensa se bibia wo nemre enti enemre hu de hanipa titinyam somo no ene se netefo no Abraham di nyame yachi envie aduonunum ana nyame bo ano onyame frɛ no wadi 75 eye gene 12 odi 25 years ansa eye Isaac on na yire envie aduono Hana mo envie aduono ena de obedi nyame yachi na okira pese oyeye enti as much as ebia asofo binum de kan ebia na ma media na ebo but asofofo bebre adifo bebre yazan so bebre yazan apot bebre yazan eniwu me say mpedu frame na fasofo ho a me bampa na mani ewu ena ya me share white me nua ozu ansa ena ne birthday
papa
enti white ya me share no nka me ba no efa na beri na ja papa wo fienti na se me ba na me nipa wu because osofo be asofo e maami a ye kana se me oyo sofo no asofo be bre o wa e bi krom de echewe ada na sabasa and the asofo no me hu de anipa wo de na oje obi ase ade aduane na obedi nti foto e Christopher na de enti de se asoroma ne bi ka ho e ma aso na ka Christo ni bi ye no nyame asem e na ado ho ma nyankopɔ ye nukuremu a enka ni asofo di aye ka generally no trokonkron se osofo bia no Timothy who made the kind and nine edunsia na osofo say take heed to yourself shawo ho anyone chere kame no what me age wonu atiefo ase na saying if you can't manage yourself you can't manage anybody Timothy who made etoso edikan First Timothy 3 no Bible say o pese nya medwuma esase enya ho asam ka and na osofo ye ho nsam e bon and yes, obi ya come but yan kasa nyame nkrofo bi ye peden ho and asoroma na aba no so ebi maso yo mo de on oteo on padwuma den ye on to no boase obobre gidigidi abrabo yi atade kora ye to yi ka ye dam yi edan han itoro yo bo ma okretim presse wo de kwai okretim presse ye den en kakra me de be na me be che me shu etoro mo tres ba ko me hye be mfie be ensia ba ko pe o kwai but gidi ena tira bia say asofodie mo card do enye card ke so yosofo enye ufie na ke so yosofo asamato enye wasoroma do ke so yosofo woni nyankopon tem enye nsanjani a na ke so yosofo
papa
enti your get a program na so o kan say asofo bi nye asafo ma no so mo ka ho na kofo sisi mo
baby a eye mahomete kakra fa asofo ne de ne ho ye se eba se ye fro kra na ayedin
oh yes oh be kind of say
kateboni nti but ayedin a ye ni papa na ewum no na so papa ye hwe ne say so make I say Rwanda will say one of the African countries. I think Rwanda, Paul Kagame, ni hona ye Rwanda.
Yeah.
Or say at least ubesia sondai. Ana se ube kase ahana me ya sorry. Me wa asafo madodo say no. Na me ye sofo no. Fa bibi bra e kire say.
Certificate to be.
Yes. At least nipa na ube da o man no management. This is the occurrence here. So one kasa cross Timothy on.
First Timothy 4. Oh yes, untumi.
Enti sorry dan e koso osuku adan mu ni ntokro mu nyina wagu no. His country. What you say? It is say who say aha na wo ya sorry a onsi nyamesom kwan. Na mum at least fa bibi bra be dia dance ye say. Ade na me fa ho nkrofo adi machi no. Me wo ho nim de ma fa emu ntitiyem. Eye nipa ho adwuma enti me ho se de medandan no na ye hayi so
den ade akanfo se ade aye obi fie amwa obi die enti me de meka no say me to me who am I to say obi sorry
obi enti ka bibi che ye nyina ye Ghana
yes but the make no say so nyankopon afro obi no school dem no me do me nka nkyere nipa no say oni certificate mo nya nyam dwuma
okay
eno eni baabro mo sa
but ye hwe na kwan asoman a ye wo mu a ye hwe ne say
enti de di kan no asore de anka asafo mpanifo de say Christian Council
okay
charismatic those people o na so twim asore ye de ye hia sunsum fo no be manage sunsum adwuma enti nka te say body Christopher bodies no na bodies na say me dwon bi e tora bi ye nsem bebre because obi no oba ekuo na ono wa big dada enti umpo onview ena ukọ kan say enti me say ade na ye kan den enya sam ketwa
because mama ye hu say ye wo ekuo bi sa ho but ekuo no ye wo ma etie wo
ena ekuo na akotrem no kesa for example mabekuo me call GPC Ghana Pentecostal Council ye je hunkrunkru di ye je babru di but ye mra ne ade no kwasi ano pa ade a chia me won nyam chenya hwe wan na eba ho abese what is the monitoring nene amanемenti I tell you say Ghana pa de your president what you must so if the say ye yaso odin eti
papa me to ase yi ananka te say sa body na so wo no they say they ye betron so hwe a yetumi yi invigilators na be external ones on enamu na wo share internal teachers no kra mo ne ye on your school for a chance so hwe na ka bi the report be call circuit supervisors no eti wo mo asafo ma ne nyina ate ho no obi a mo wa mane
that's a good one
na obi aba na on enamu no hwe se dem ye asorifa
nanke who say okay for example that could be me kwa sorry me professor efeno reverend professor Samuel Jadu Trinity seminary me kwa sorry o me two service me we na me professor obai me time no obai no professor metal so for penipa o tie chiri boko me ho enti be preach first we ye me chechi ankrofo send your tinti o timbe bi ni me ho no ye no say bishop say hey da I say oh bishop o preach no a simple so it make sense
okay
many makoma tom here because they say highly onyame ni pakese na say make yakoko Christian Council ye we yakofie yako GPC ye we kwese da nwumere Friday all night Wednesday one all
eti ye fa de say if he sad no kra no e ma wani ba ho so say eh se me gina me property so a se nipa bi se kura timi ba omo ti a kire ho
yes professor
Benadofo me hwe de osoma me na adwuma no
very important and monitoring ho and the certificate ne won me kan say onyankopon frɛ so e ho mesua ye but beginning there me de make kire obi ya ne say nyame ofrɛ nipa asofudie ye call but onyame frɛ nipa wi a etetewom yesu frɛ nipa edumienu otetiwo enti there must be formal informal training oyo Bible no what is Samuel 1 Samuel chapter 3 Samuel nyame frɛ no so wante Eli and a man guidance Elijah so otiti Elisha and Paul titi Timothy Titus yet to titi asuafo enti titi kakra de very important na titi na informal na formal na say me mako school mako Bible school mako university mfie nkron enkesa me yosofo call ni ho a we your professor we just a lecturer na mo obi enyame afro bi ade wo hia ntete kakra you kura ogbati na obi yosofo one tete no nobody knows who said then tracy who sofo he no over oba
efi na ekọ mo tracy because mo jana sa mo bi wo honom a enipa ni so no mo bebregu eti Montracy because aya na ye be ne den enipa de den ye sa na bi be ye de mo hwe yi a mo sha ase no kredie ni okom ene nyamsuro ene kasapa ni nyansa mo de sha ase mo bebregu mo sha ase na mo sha ase because ye kan say so obi afa nkosi ho say oton obi nkogina ho say meto
I know so
obi afa nkosi ho say meton wa obi aso nkogina ho say meto
that's a good one
na sa maami ye a Kofi Ejema yetie nini a o say na ye de ba ye na oje ye na wa ma obi ana afa ye say ne o ma ye lorry fe ami woman to say
adai
sorry afifi afoka and the original sika bia se wo ka benguo se wo ton kwadu akoma ma me fefe yi okra ho nya fete so no wo don fa nya ho fefe woman se kra unti ama school fees Se wo gina kwa na ho se Ghana aye den. Kono ko he Kufuado. Se mpa oda so ne bi no da so aye aka se Ghana eden. You see, where no na papa kan say aposifo abemu no.
Yeah. I mean, they're very important.
Na woman so bro mo ko mo school ji omo tete esa aposifo no. Na me no mi ni yankobi. Ye nim say de omo ye omo adwuma. Enti ye nyama but baby a me nyina so wo pa say de ya ade sen nipa befom. Na so ese nipa befom no kakre.
That's right.
O de yenyina maame di so yi oh yenyina sa maame ne de etumi tam musika to the extent say lorry fare kura na papa na say ye fufu cafe achi ne ba sorry but nti ye lorry fare so ye fan to collection
yeah and tell say na oma give me sacrifice ye kura me sacrifice enipa no according to nipa ebrapa obo any level afi koronto for medical eto so me tin kro no o say onipa Oma sene ono ape na onyame God loves a cheerful giver into oma enye pressure ena two se ma ba sorry na me kofie me lord friday adai ena sene make no nyame dwuma na ye yo no ya mete
me twa no papa
se ye bo ni panankasa na
asem no me hu ne ka but efa bi ha me dodo de che se afa at a point in time no Maame sofu yi a wono age nkrofo sika na age atum se ai maje usika ayen se me jintine ma lorry fare wo mo se de ho na se se ho no wa baje atum se maje usika enti se maje usika na maje ni nyina me ma lorry fare de ko mama ante sofu okay baba
yes but still come back to tell me approach for him but asoroba ade na wote na wo koji den I mean, what say you? Chronkrum say, nipa nyame o chire nipa no. Is that how God blesses people? As a Christian, why? And that make no. Approach for you, me person no come am so much, but yeah, asafo manoa. O kwa den. O kwa den. Is that how we make money? For Bible. That come da ho no ma che be mfe adio no so ne answer peace na me so for baby. But they say obi me son da obi say go and stake lotto me o. Na me say wa me no say na me say me Christo ni so for so we Christo ni nti me at na me say oh and the other channel pa na me say I don't need to pray one nyame asa ba bi na o chese me ntwa lotto da enye number 2 Abraham Isaac Jacob nyame wa ntwa lotto Dr. be mo hoyi Bishop Dag mo hoyi Pentecost aso pray aso for empanifa kese no nya lotto no mtwa ai omo bo obra and I don't need to pray. I had a vision I rejected it. And now okay here for me nkan by the grace of God. Menjalo to renti o Kristo ni.
Enti eno no ye enida ho a wunyaye.
That's right.
Nyansa wunyaye.
Yes.
Nyamesuro a wunyaye.
That's right. Enti Thessalonians 5 no say or say we should examine or judge prophecy. Thessalonica woman etinum chichemu dunsu gosi edu no say o te asama test prophecy as you saying so be impossible nyame say dan Shababro, is that how we bless people? Kwa nyame fa so Israel pa ekwa we enti Christ of fire ba no Bible e kan ya ginyamidi e di asem ni enti yes asofo no bi e smart ene memai be smart but I tell you that committee make am ma she me ka ja ma she me check to ni pan so de obi share me traffic ogina kwa ho wa dress de so de oyi obi no hey bra na me say yes na me parke is there any problem any problem me who say a man na bi wo fie o ye ntientia tentina me say number 1 if you be atietia wo if you be atinti wo if you be kokko na wo ni ho de one na kasa na ka wo metu di man be bo ne so free ankwa o enti I don't know o say Hosea 4 says nimdi am me nimti o to bi ti basa so ignorance and e kwa Christ of war and e kwa before Jesus said you know the truth and the truth will make you free no kware onim na your this year no kra no way o kire ina asofo na aba ne so anyame nkrofo bi no ye nka no kra nkyere nipa and na say ya ben on bin bia o sofo on bin bia nyame na ben and na ye obi say esese me ko hansa o kwai Solomon tinifie otini dem 1 Kings chapter 3 oni nyame na nti nyame ko bo ne pon what are you talking about Cornelius Acts chapter 10 no onye Kristo ni so no ye papa nyame ko bo ne pon what are you talking about o kwai tra nyame na ase o wa sori ya ukom na ya onu ma yie na me besra wo echinche dɔso na mate we awa ane na o obi a na ye akire.
Okay, so young boy no so a me nkasa boy young man na no so ahye ne suit a yellow boy hai ye for no so nye scapegoat ma omo aye na tipens for no say simple cross how the 100 Ghana and a few call ho a beje de say 100 Ghana no as a young man to say no etumi hye bibia se ema etu to say gari nanka unemployment association no nanka where you ho e de afrim minimo bi wo kantamanto or the freezer see obi store anim na otua nipa neka because it's in anim it's so train light free ne ho no toss a share water no bag no be say do a no dey go fridge ni na amanfo abeyi akwa akoto enti ono to na bia 1 cedi a wa obefa akoto no 1 cedi 20 pesos enti anopa de anura okoda de odugum no anopa no mbefa na odibi begum enti wo de ne besa no obeba no na aye nyu na odibi gum eye adwuma ye so wo twan aban a o certificate no e do be call double money na double money ne so obesere rore fe eno akofie but aban so na no last year no enipa ahe na omo admission na omo wieye no ahe na omo adwuma na this year so o forms na wa abonten na wo de ma admission no omo so ya ahe omo adaso wo fie no so ya ahe because ensa ahe ni adwuma ye no adwen se ya na beba no trim nti yesi ye keka funo sede ne keka madam nti moso mo wa sede because mama kwanya dedam mo esusu so mo nim nyansa no e de nyansa ne din samone papa mpacho febija ye na my number
well the american said okay chap me che obi 200 Ghana da no ne kunu ba mo no se pass ka de amaye no de etuma ye ni me yem kura ye hye me 200 nti se ne me kana bra bo en kakrakra de nyame de ama no pompa iguso na start ene mpacho adwuma ye na tro be kura unisika unisika kura no kredie yes kwaje obi brodo na koton that's all en kakrakra China ne Europe abai nkrofo honma no kredie nti ye lodu container 40 feet abrewo mu ton wi ade ko etimpacho kapre bi ekura no chasiesa na brabo no don't despise the small beginning. Even Jesus Christ, he was born as a baby and as a child and son obey abaye onipakese Luke chapter 2:50-20 ne ekura no so mo ye na fa ya adwuma ne to so mo ye no nya ne ma ese atinya ne edi akire okay and ya ma me ya kana se me nya ono nko nipa bebre wo ho a wo mo nam kwa basa so eye ne ma basa e de approach for you mtie ntumi comment bebrebe but nya ne ma atinya na osi edi akire ye nto ye bo ase kakra na ye nya adwuma ne mom ade ma kana se asofo adifo nyame adwuma efo eye nsamo ye Ghana fo munue ebi as ya pede yi
Papa de ye pen my number near from near me
yo Paul say minti say nyame no adana Christopher bi mo me say nyankopon din sa ma ma wre fi owo aba ate ho ba na de oye bi abeko nyame no 024423 5578 024423 5578 024423 5578. God bless you.
Okay, God bless one so now God bless of all so answer. The book ba could be or chemi be don't despise the small beginning.
Yeah, and birthday.
Yeah, that's it. Papa, happy birthday to you. Also, nyame sha. Eti ye de yatena ha na ye homework no. De o wa sopa no. Ontie ye no hwe se obekwa akosa lai ame ya je ne sika ye be ma no lorry fare na ya pon. Kwasinsia ene abidafo de pense mo bro.
Why you go call somebody catcher there? You go format and take it 1,000 million. Your see Ghana, you before Ghana, you before Ani wasi fwenye na onso kwenye tuwa na mama bra me pransa mawo me baja kwa mo media why social media we report wa mo kwa social media ama so kwenye tuwa me bra so ya kwa mo that is so enye easy wa akra o enye easy serious commotion pa na agrada akoso wa no was ngofo free tree na eba ebi free Kumasi ebi free Winneba ebi free Mankesim ebi so wo weja here and do share enye easy pon tamafo nyina ba
Inti ebusianfo enye oman mu yede ne medi ago too much. Yede ne medi ago oman mu too much. Mami yen nyina nim ne oye oman mu but ye ni ene ye hwe. Aha.
That is it. And that tells you the mindset of the president. That's how he sees it. That's why I said, look, the president had checked out long ago. The president has checked out long ago. He's just now just working and enjoying the presidency. Very shameful. You see why I said this is he's saying? Very shameful. He's a lawyer. He doesn't deal with that. Isn't that the same Nana Akufo-Addo who said he will work with the ANAS principle? And today there's even evidence, tape. And he says, go give the tape, talk to the minister, he should explain himself. So you see how he's done a U-turn, meaning that he never had a conviction that he wants.
Let me tell you this tape. Yeah. We are a media house. We are not the police. We are not the national security or anything. Mm-hmm. We got this tape almost over a month ago.
Okay.
And we became aware that it is in right custody.
Good.
Do you get it? So the president is telling us today that something that has been in their custody for like a month or more, the guy is bereaved. When did he get bereaved?
I'm surprised. Don't be. That's the same way the president slept on the job. This is our case, NDA matter. When Dr. Anamzoya reported that people are about to steal 20, initially it started like 5 million, but later it turned out that they're about to steal 21 million Ghana cedis in the gift me system. The president was asleep. No, that's how the president behaves.
Eti aba mo nyina akwa ba biem ne wo hwe ye memne news fa ye koso ewo Joy News and Joy 99.7 FM. Ya na lawyer Martin Pebu chirichem de enti am woka se mampani ku oso oswan ewo galamse so sebi eye asresem na enkose hwe emfa mo my Ghana eno bi ene kote no nkomo no ewo professor fa na sekese enkomo agudem akonfo Professor Ike Wala so de agudem ensem ebre no chi Mame chira da mo so de ewura efisem ye di efimu enkomo na koye Jordan Sister Sunday de ahosepa dwumadie ebe free sabre kopin se no nkono ebe bomedin de akwasi insia mpensem bre ewo bedwam dwumadie eso eni happy birthday enko Emma Philip Osei Bonsu host of Ekosi say on Asempa 94.7 FM and programs manager of Asempa FM Eda Nyame onhira na onyo kese kwapem se obeye kese pa. So na happy birthday so koma Obrempong Hima Dechi the 14th Paramount Chief of Upper Dixcov. Na now so nyame onhira na onyo kese happy birthday. Also once again to Kofi Mensan Director of Audit CBG. Also happy birthday. And so enko manfada sekese koma Hyper Plus mixture. Du papa na abadwa so bia de ku de tia entidi yade enso no etimisre wada wo pedro so ahyase etoto ye beboa ama immune system ahoden eja atimi abom na yade bia atweniti a akon de tia eye Hyper Plus mixer na mekan for de mama ba bia ton do bia no okwa osa ebeka bi atosa so na Franco Trading Enterprise ye kan se phone papa efi eno mo akabata bako ewo enkran na fe kumase komo nchen se eye deep freezer say ye TV, say ye fridge, say ye fan, ye air condition, and I'm phone and our party be a demo ye biano. Franco Trading Enterprise and I want to be yan and a boy, ever from pa. Kel Chaco toothpaste and so in the ye poe say, a ye bidie and a day aye, a one day will be dim tinamenum, Eddie bidie to body to su HSC and canetity bremono. And Noah and a Kel Chaco toothpaste, Eddie be aye toothpaste and ne, I'm for Eddie Paul. Was it two so say fita, one so atoso. Baby be a upper supermarket will be a casa ope Kel Chaco toothpaste. It's as a no and papa. City Black Tonic and soon you menu majadro. No fili ejina now see a manipejo calacra atosua. A City Black Tonic. Pebineto, a becona suya say a many pepin simple semubre. Ebro on Badwam or Adom TV. dwumadie esobedwafo atenase na manfa wei entumfa yakọ kese enkoma yakasabenua Omanhene Kwabena Asante, host of Badwam on Adom TV. Now chi me ena ne papa edane etoye. Eti mejina Badwam ko ne nyina ene na Kwabena yamaw yakọ. Esidwie ne enso yenwie bi. Bene se ne ade ato ne nyo no ana oye. Omanhene busuafo nyina yama obibia yakọ ema mo nyina shedem. Daniel Nikwa third Titus Glover, former member of Parliament Tema East, former deputy minister of transport. Ewa. Ni boko de.
Commander. To your thing.
Ah boko.
Please let show. O shwese obeti ba kangrana.
Irisi.
Commander dey say.
Boko la so
you are do.
Tema East boko.
Yo, they dey yakoyinim. Tema East hoye boko.
Okay.
You should Ghana. And yet Tema East nkwa.
Ghana nyina.
Tema East say dey low.
Oh, okay.
You should Ghana nyina.
Say you man call beyond Tema East. But still much benefit.
As I mean from our she I know and family.
Sure.
Until was a many digit.
But now show the larger picture.
Larger picture.
Okay. Lawyer Chumberima, I am a member of the NDC National Communications team. Lawyer Bokodi.
Was there?
So now we hear homie, I can't a ye dear.
Even then, said, they're doing this, I never can.
Okay.
And I pray no Yakono Cassian Coma or my. And I pray by when he not me beside because I bring my started with 1 year more come. And so I'll cram and Amanantium, I'm a Pimo. Your my own neighbor, Yako. Said all kind and Penin said, I don't in your one in Ban say, we say, Mo. Sure. My, you know, why? The way Yama Accra, I could double call, you know, support to be a good idea. I was it. Me one another key issue be.
Okay.
Ghana Police Service. I war Ashanti region, especially Bosumtwen district.
Okay.
Oma money na ho yepa. I was it nkrobi to say Adaja.
Okay.
I war Bosumtwen. Esreso. Ana titru for yase. Same croi incluna atrepa na the new sites no.
Yeah.
Because they say the SCN say na say the cost at the China design say. Emnantie bi motorbike so. Na omo time ya ne fia e hwa ye din no won komra no na ya funfram. Ya budanani awia bibia na maame ba ko adaja. Maame no aberewa aja ne madum na toka abesi fie mo na abewa bia so ye me cost to se bia na ye na sini ne ko. Obaje de sem nantie atimi akobu maame fie ani. Awia ne ma nyina de aguka animu atimi atuka ne de kokogya maame na tuwuram.
Oh.
And at the old, I'm sorry, Fiasi former police station, Nachi. Maybe I know no police station, Nachi. And now that old new site that one in is dangerous to even live there. Say area one will be coach Uber never be tea, and that insecurity is still going on. It is still going on. You are calling the on the IGP. Said yeah, and now one mobile patrols near Koso in Accra. Yes, Rano. Ashanti region. It looks like say some areas are being neglected, and as a neglected, so be a news adanko hoye. And we are urging them so more when because areas in the I come here say will be a sit down hobia what is some news sites in Grandma Bodi news at for years, especially for years news sites.
Okay.
And they quite the jack, and near the jack important one there. Will be a Tobian at 1 and the because imagine say you about to be theater o man time we are take it. If you mate so obi to fear you about be and obi pia bonten about be and chrono is almost every week be what be. And the question dey your time phone keke and you dey ko you bu poni a na ya phone from to mra no na everything has been taken away. Police for over years and they been person me dwell on them today because one day some say me come so na anhwe anya baba. Because their competence is questionable.
IGP Ashanti Regional Police Commander ono mrantie honya hana yenhwema bambo emu enyere
Commander IGP jere twen me de bi besoso mame fa kakra yi soso oyo free revenue so ansa no so ye ne birthday me ba na me tie wa Adom FM se na ye na woda sure enti ono ne Philip Osebonso mame fa okonya so na me wish you omunyina happy birthday na kobraso so ye ma na yako we do yanga sisi na ye no ye kondindindindindindindin ba dia to na ne die na kire se ye nyina akan enti ye ma na yako na ye bompai se me no bedua o ma ya so tuntema menim se ye ko Kenya se o ana ye ko hwidemu ana kire nzu a o enti afo no o de na
after 1 week you know
and ye be hu baby but on the issue about police true when you say nanse on the instructions be aba can you know say BBC were one particular police station at district the PRO communicate with the media
yes. I mean for that region
say so much just idea no say headquarters in my permission you can talk I see that of trying to gag police for number particular district and that region from talking. Okay. And the headquarters in Mount Commissioner, ADSC media, you pay feedback, for public to know what is happening there. The police cannot talk in that district. Yeah. I don't see that as right. It's not proper. Say BBC, whatever. Come to one police station. That's a media. My colleague, Isabella Gidiglo, I can also get information. I'm a feedy for the news. Yeah, they jumana. On to me,
district commandant me carry.
What kind of behavior is this?
Okay, and Chiremua, omde buy any say. It got to a time where na disparities in information here too much. Say, a to the beer, Ubejama district police commander be say on Kasawasimi. Now it's not by national level. It's not say commander and I say PR no kuso kasa at the district level. Ntino. One she baby son question be a penny no one can no empty. No ati anu ye na police commander and them.
So when they are feeding all over the country information about who have the facts more on
it is a no so by say so no person can no chere fabra
and yes in the heat of the moment
and they approve it
now they should dissolve all the PR services and what is in
what is this
okay
God there's no need
commander
okay
at the spell of the moment asema ba it's not right
okay
it's not right they are touching me so when you say we district and now we station your vehicle so say police they have one centralized mechanical workshop you need be what region you need be what district and they say I will golua I will upper west I was on the bank cry
the sent the regional I know ho
no I was on the bank now what the pass so yes you can you won't get it back I know what I'm talking about about obi mama be from maka we e was sempa before omo hwe me IGP misrew saade no enye papa
and I can't say why
what I say enye papa I know what I'm talking about and you say ya baby free buy no ye man nsanko no fanko to na juma so the only need no pa bi na fama no but make go for bi dia what says you know now the mo be from
and can't say why so the bounce can be
so decentralize it. So possession because it's a security vehicle. No? Workshop and detail CRD people should be there to monitor it. You see, I know what Tamoka they are coming down.
IGP tiene adwuma no pay adoso ama.
This are communication there and
wada. Say communication also such chemu pe ma.
Okay. I mean because if you are still having regional PRs in every region
no much me
na sa waka say bibia na national dey any of these women say I mean those people no
they say I mean Julie ewo
adwala no be say
Accra region of headquarters
official headquarters
brilliant young journalists professionally now we see mon kasa bio
there's offer chere na nyina nti omo gitu mansa na ready o I think said now we fear thing crowd no ye be na oye o twere me approve via no a record it no a send it
no
and the spell of the moment
that I think was different everything time na say dia we can any
okay
any I think Mr. Carriage in Nessa Nino. But not a person to be communicated to all the media house in internet. I'm not recording, not sending them.
But I say, IGP, you might not sort of pay. Can a year from me, but by the way, I'm say, best see, I'm not your phone, ever to us. As I come here for your barber share and comedian, as a semi catcher, starting about video from news file. Lawyer Martin Pebu as Modi to Jano Chemu say, Saya Mampeni Nakunya esi Sayano say, or Nakunya Pobetonchia say, the fight against Galamsey on your work on Amnesty Pibion. Lawyer Martin Pebu say, a Yahoo brother sem. Sada Chimi Bekan say, Enku Siaga, where fallacy be, and a Mampeni, ere eye. A corner, baby a corduno, a ye, and I say, Yanka say, a G and 70 year, and ye. Honorable.
Mami fa winsam fam bio. Ya kan police fo asemi. Me wi efiri bibi kakra. Me nyan kuma dampare IGP. Sropa. Ye di adwuma hye winsam ye nyina ye nige. Adwuma wo yesoso ye ne so. Ba sam mrante nkwalan kitinkiti ya wafa omo ya arrest. E wo kwano so no. You need to speak to them. They are so rude. And let me repeat, so rude.
Very rude.
Because we did to me, I'm my Right Honorable Speaker, my very good friend, Dua Jaho, it is an saying Omuchenika. And the way they handled the former speaker was not right. Miangaza Muchibika. Few months ago, let me free program our voter region. Your friend say, "Me back kwatela na ne hu ye e was school." And I me ye no. Me say, "Ye can you know what some these boys?" I shut a police barrier.
Constable sana.
Yo. Akwa bi okitadi bi not the name bi. Me sure they need to be me ready fi. So rude. Not that pare ojina. He was at the Tulako police station. We bought the glass. So, oh, brah, oh, fene. Also, Juma. Eventually, my driver was taken to court. He was fined in Kasa. But me can't wait because San in Kuala no Numu Guabontino. Or Shaya, Juma. Which will be the way you even communicate.
Of course.
Independent Casano. Independent go jet to me say, oh, but because of the two we are shomunti, they are so rude. I give beyond danger. One day he also go like others. Into mushomuyi. Amekwa mojuba. Na ye kan galamse any Martin Kwebu. Le Martin Kwebu. Enyo no kan say or accuse the president say was surrounding with criminal our presidency.
Yeah, we're much of, yeah. Over your draw.
Oh, over the draw.
Yeah.
Mankayo. Or can say the president has surrounded himself with criminals, with corrupt activities at the presidency. Lawyer Nina Kasasa. And they were saying their fighter president, Eye Galamsin is a shira. And no gin too. Ebusiafo. True. When you look at the days of drugs, every Spanish America, American economy no more. It was a big fight for the American government. Venezuela, Nicaragua, Mexico, had the drugs. And these drug barons arm themselves. They fight state security to export the drugs into American states. America made conscious effort. Me can say government abako. But do baby no do president be so on say be there. So fighting drugs, for me, I see it as fighting that of Galamsey.
Oh, okay.
Because Abaya Bako, he is a member of the NDC. And can pay me in person my politics.
Lawyer Martin Pegu.
He is an NDC man.
On the party card,
please. On the party card, please.
Do you seem to sympathize with NDC?
Yes.
He sympathizes.
I say he's an NDC man.
A card-bearing member.
He's an NDC man.
A card-bearing member.
He's an NDC man.
On the party card way.
Commander.
On the party card way.
Chubuase. Chum. Commander, Nyabutre.
Okay.
And then, say me, I don't support Galamsey. And Chum knows, the two of us. I'm a soldier against Galamsey.
Yeah.
I don't care any member of my party who is doing Galamsey. Now, would he say quiet? Would he say so? I'm uncomfortable. Someone know I'm bad in the moment. I will not support your cause. Maka, Israel. And I will not support anybody who wear Galamsey who they go for the movie. I will not support that. So we are Galamsey. Wako river bedroom tu anya ya Galamsey the say so. Amagana water are struggling to process water for us. We dey always go.
Yeah.
We got terminal water, any such water, and they go wufi, and we don't man, and we for amano. But those who live in the banks of these communities where these rivers are passing, why we colleague Erastus, Asaridonko.
Sure.
Last week Tuesday, na me ni chu. Here was sempa. In so maku so. This you. Ebia it is fruit juice, apple juice, orange juice, pineapple with ginger, mango with fruit telly. Baby, why are we not sympathetic to our people? Greed for sikape and impunity. Adai. Inti mi pese misre, mi lawyer, bebu say. Yes, the fight of Galamsey that didn't start. Ewa President Akufo-Addo preso. Kasano so the Amshishe and Odi Kasano.
Yeah.
So to some extent, I don't blame him too much. But the language that he using said the fighter president who was say, "Me presidency better. I'm a fighting Galamsey." It is not easy. We lost certain seats in Galamsey areas. He's part of the Inseminana president. No, can. And he said, "Me onwa obe president no. I'm a year kudetia because if you know who said be Galamsey area."
What has been the result? President what have been the results? The
result, we lost some seats in Galamsey areas. He's a government leading a political party. And we lost because of that. We lost some seats. Who can say, yeah, why should the echoes of parliament in Tokon? If we have won those seats, will all these fights come? Debbie. But the year Canada said, Galamsey fights now. Galamsey is very saying, fight and a fight, no, and you're no Papa fight.
Okay.
It is not a fight for Akufo-Addo. It is not a fight for one person. We need everybody on board. And let's take the politics out. Let's get the politics out and look at this as a national security matter.
The money is difficult, Honorable. It is Emrane warning how to deal with it.
Emrane warning difficult.
Law enforcers.
Yeah, young Crawford no more. Yeah, young Crawford no more. Duman,
young Crawford.
Me before. Now got him so say
was he another way and I don't question was one on Crawford.
Yeah, me and before no woman. Omuma a kunu a yedin.
MP before Galamsey na fight na difficult.
Of course. It's a fact. It's a fact. There's a man called Swanu and Koyadi, now would ako. Soldier for enam, a quiet enam so a kunditia. Says we have one bad Pamun free or no more. District security councils are MCs dano, dear no more. Regional state councils, Munamusha security ever for more. Musu so every time soldiers have to move from Accra and go into these areas, see a Kokodietia, MY. And so, and then the president catch say, we are MMDC, not Galamsey a cost war, now we share the warrior. Oh no, what's up?
Honorable, yeah, you see Galam stop. Operation Vanguard. A police for Akum. A him for Akum. Still, near Koso. Dear BM na bit me a year. Oh, the fight against Galam.
Commander, why be a reputa?
No, Cape Coast, I know now.
Na la beach, the place la bakacha we call la Aboma Honwa. Weekends, holidays, you know.
Okay.
Yeta oh ya go jare ho. say epo afawda oboka say we pumu na mana there be the fact that there no cause should not mean that we should raise our hands in despair say queen ema embro yeso enu na medi drugs ewo Spanish America Mexico Venezuela Nicaragua drugs fight into the America export into the America economy was a very tough fight. But it took a president of America to put his feet and say, "Mean transemadi and be semi-man for."
With dedicated officials who understood the fight.
So you can have some security officers, you can have some politicians, you can have some individuals. Quickly, you need to strategize and reprogram and plan and make sure you get those people out and determine. And for me, I know President Akufo-Addo will succeed in the fight against Galamsey because they know Bakufo. And your Bakufo, and me I will not support any party member who will go and do Galamsey and be destroying our vegetation and destroying our water bodies. I will not support it. I will not.
Okay. Lawyer,
was he?
Ati en semana.
And there's a one it. Anya bi awuko okromo. Se wona me krom na ekro.
Yeah.
Uduru ase ya hu de bremo ne ayo. Nti no ba kire wasa se kono duru ba bi ansanka bremo ansanka ni ne ka ete ansa bi ankate. Because Queen enye abugina po na be frase. Sure. I think and the group for this time is I think amewu and amewu. Ano no bobo bia ye de betun aye biara. Ade be pomda. But you see and penifo say abo bi beka wa won free ba bia na baka ya no free wa wonto mo afra wo mo. Sure. Akosi. Ade ba ko amatrans ye hu ni say you see na na group for asom kan so ode na konwa anasa na ba nyo oteso atoso. So the back say Galamsey somewhere custom. The mama Brina na say share the view of me am senior and I'm a very good friend Martin Pegu say. Na na do asem kan na say the wow season. Anyasem bia ye butu afade asem na enko se hwe no. And say akosi. Sabi mpanin say ye bodam fifi. Asa na ya tiasi abonten. Say the mini apani aka wai. There I mean most of the districts are party functionaries. MPP functionaries, executives, to Galamsey. Then I know. And what I never quite very common in the Galamsey areas. And they say, most people need to know one more number of cars. I saw the MPP flag the same. Ah, Missy, or mom to Galamsey. I am telling you, MPP flag. Yes, I say one cup. I say one cup. Go to Eastern region. Not an enemy. Go to Eastern region.
Can it also be possible say a microphone person say about intini emfa MPP the insideness na be ye ba
the best thing about I mean say what we use no no in one way or the other as a one step ahead.
Okay
who as a one step ahead akwasi fano to me no nyina te ya ana ya wa munua anasa reme ya anas ekwe ne Galamsey hu investigations we the babontin ye tiran ko yi Sabra ni form a ministerial committee or even tax force, right?
Yeah, interministerial committee.
Exactly. And now, yeah, so one directed the affairs of this Galamsey operations as you have one policy for Wako. Sabra and I said Galam stop any operation. What no one way, no, unfortunately, we had a senior person as an secretary to the committee,
yeah, no, a secretary
to the committee,
yeah,
who got himself involved in a criminal act.
Something has denied.
Said the thing.
Say, and you know, Chris says, and Anas, at the report, no, a buy. Police for also a baby is on routine, a police for report and buy.
But Canada, Quabi, no one was being the 2 nations who was actually. Yet, Yana, video, who was a Zikawaja, with Scar, Walkins, I was one, do anything. This cannot deny that, as I wouldn't never know.
But what comes?
But
council him say, and never say no, it go just beyond. Adia ye hu keke
Adam say sika na odi ye na ye bo ne nsawa
e na mo so no mo for na mo kan say action bia no the judgment comes as a result of the menstrual behind the
two
action.
Things are involved in the act.
Okay,
the act itself and the intention behind the act and not the menstrual na
yeah
so my question me be say the act is that now we just can what here there's an offense called a strict liability offense and no it's just the act that we are interested in. The intention is not relevant. Charles Bisi what you can no na sika no what you say you born in sawa and any man birthday gift emu dey no je no
I'm just, are you saying say police for report no?
Me and police report I don't even want to believe in the police report.
Oh how?
What do
I dream? No, what do I dream book and I'm just the fact that said will be able to say what
so okay, on nine ordinance can answer me now. I says the ordinance can
it wouldn't police report nini.
Was he? Me see ordinance can demand
police report there's a wouldn't.
You've not answered my question.
There be only police report nini.
Answer my question before you ask me a question. Sikana oji ye na your birthday gift.
And I'm saying
answer na your bonus.
When you police report nini.
Well, once you cannot answer me, then I also no respond to you. Because so when me trade in Channel Scandia.
Okay.
I don't care about police report. Okay?
Okay.
So what me tell me say Sikana oh that be any brother no the mommy. They become a swano and they be a cancer and no the brother. Now what I see that was swano and padia, then we can believe the police report. Now all the brother police boy now. All this kind of police boy now. Now we will be going to see how good you have been about the report about our report natural says Carawani. And I report this kind of Nanya which I mean
for that one dear, we say what a bribe bem obey me taking action against a BIO because as you said the rare evidence or just say or J bribe no will be a matter of contention in court.
No, my point is
but the measure say a platform
we saw him hold on.
And so anything no
fine.
Yeah, yeah, frame said
I will be happy to do that. Don't worry. I'm going to help you to do that. Don't worry. Me am a
okay.
Why any bribe? Says can and what for what? Scan who say no ordinary.
Okay.
If it's not bribe, yati, and your bribe.
Yeah. That's a good question you can ask.
And somebody near one.
Yeah, chance be so also to respond.
What was that? Says can not ordain for what? Okay? Now we are asking those questions. On my answer. Reasonable ones for that matter. Reasonable answers for that matter. If it wasn't bribe, fair enough, Yati said it wasn't bribe. No.
Okay.
No problem.
Okay.
But if it wasn't bribe, what was it? What are they? And I don't know will be better to what has it? What do you not change? We saw videos on social media, especially on Facebook, from a gentleman who says he's a driver to John Bodu.
Yeah.
We saw that one. You the bar from between the then Environment and Science Minister and a Kwausi. You yet so. What has it? So if you have all these people within your umbrella, Ubesidan fighting galam se menayi. One more was small woman penny to great money. We know it. And appointment win here. So no way in the second uncle mobile appointment. That's what mean in 19 or my appointments. What I say? But my point is said, you know how what did you mean? There was a monk A, B, C, D, M. I was see. So one would mean confirm why papa ma. Number one, their road become compromise. One back one now will do my dear number and the question of the not as soon as one say. A best actually the aim that we are looking for. We can't. And that is why my people tell you, someone can 8 million yaduma. If it's no one to me, quite man. One more person and yan quarter for. Open yan quarter for.
It's a benefit.
What I say? So then he can't fight it. But so it's a near person fight the Casabre can never be a watch on beyond. What deal with them? I'm being so what do my scapegoat an example for others to see and follow. What you chroma ya? Anna, me am near by lady never simple. Dear Okodi Kumobi or Nikamwa, a better Uganda President Mahamatami. Vikiama,
yeah.
It was just in
so up 100,000.
No one knew BD when it came. And I'm for. And yes, one need dinkum. One record, we don't know. But you as a record the other tabon say what dinkum A, B, C, D. Immediately. A buying of no penny or done one so W. I said, I can't do it. No, and Yakasa papa. And Tempara or Tranasecuna. And now see a penny. And now when young brother might to buy be ever prefer one by him. But here we are. This gentleman is still hovering around the presidency. Having seen all this is about him. Now, so impression I created one thing. We are there creative impression after that.
And you know, chinchina man peninchina so.
Maybe I'm not so good at no one could do. As I say, my work as a any person has any. They don't know any more. We are Sunday in the video.
Because people will be not creative BB.
Obi na created them.
Obi na created that story.
I don't want to us.
Okay. So anase boasa na won sika bia fi nsam dia. Ade tira won siw no.
Blocho. Anu gbe amash.
Ade tira won siw no.
Blocho.
O twende. How many years ni? Kwazi? How many years? That's every video about if you say ni. So Mr. Katik is more than 3 years, right?
Yeah.
Or about 3 years, even sir. I don't think so. Now, want to take a step be against an answer. And I say, the company no a 2 son more by a investigation on video. No, I did not win you by now. Now what you? Are you not indirectly telling us that they who are not because you can't take action. And you can't say, "What's you and what's you?" And I say, "The company nearby, what's you?" But up to now, wouldn't be a say what's you and answer baby out. And I say the company will be out.
Okay.
Okay? It is a man panima kusa. He needs to tackle it from within. The part of one more to sign and I say woman are getting themselves involved in this action. He needs to tackle them first. And son what me tell one thing. I was and this idea, what say one thing one of your phone as if you with this about the bia. O come down if you not say. Won't come if you not say. But as lawyer Chum Berema, a member of the NDC National Communications team, will say if the young police officers are following the law and doing their work, we must allow them to do their work as there should not be discrimination against the law and the law has no respect for each other. Alex Tufo from Hamburg, Germany. And Ode Ebai. Those that believe in a Akufo-Addo and Bawumia government isn't different from the followers of Nana Agrada. The cedi to dollar rate has humbled Dr. Alhaj Mahmoud Bawumia. Eja Beta from Adenta and Ode Efribai. Galamsey fight. We will never win because the destroyers are among us, wearing trainers and pretending to fight with us. The evil enemies are within us. Kwaku say enso dia ono so de eba eno ba lawyer na otwi mu papa Charles Bisiu issue disclaimer about some of the ensemo aba de afa ne ho enye one anas de nyina ama usa anas so responded
on anas de ho disclaimer no issue yana.
Yes,
okay.
Wama 19 points to show say near eto no so nyina no na enye nokore
akwasi the day asem yi and this week as an Charles Bisiu age statement
me ready areaka Ray Galamsey fraud expose refuting claims of Charles Bisiu and here
why dey now okay anas dey now
yeah Charles Bisiu dey number can response to anas do ban why I will not usually respond to propaganda. It will be a disservice to the discerning Ghanaian if I allow Tiger IPI to get away with this baseless press release. First, I issue a statement underpinned by fact against the claims made by the opposition NDC about the government effort in the Galamsey fight, albeit not referencing to Tiger IPI and typical of the nature of his corrupted journalism. They frivolously jumped in with their usual baseless propaganda to serve their paymasters. Although this advice will fall on defense ears because that is their part they've chosen to travel with. Now, respectively, let me lay down the fact, and I believe Tiger IPI can learn from it. 1. Vetting of licenses began on 3rd September 2018. The Ministry of Information on 30th August 2018 published the commencement date and requirement for the vetting process document and required were to be submitted via post or in postation to the Interministerial Committee on Illegal Mining before 7 September 2018. Resources through its ghostly representative presented its document at a later date. ORR Resources license at the time of submission was expiring in 2 months. Upon receiving the document, it was tendered for evaluation. I then recommended the company files an application for all other permits required, which includes environmental permit. As part of approval processes, each concession was required to be mapped. The exercise was done per a schedule. The concession in question, as indicated in ORR Resources application, was in the Ashanti region. The mapping team were then in the central region en route to western Ashanti and eastern regions. all applications were required to pay an amount of 3,000 Ghana cedis, to which I directed the ghostly representative to pay and take a receipt issued to cover such payment. The risk of delay in getting their application approved before the mapping team leaves the Ashanti regions was high. The exercise did not provide for a mop-up, and as such, it was prudent and fair to grant the companies opportunity to have the concession mapped while the application was in process. Enti eja enso ewo mehwe analysis response na or they buy to Charles Bisu dia also every this year over the weekend and someone almost so eka enso until say na lawyer wakasa mu watwa sign with regard to corruption I think say they taking
no I mean well, many problem but you see the point in the say Charles Bisu cannot do this to clear himself. What trust you all this war for this video to have gone viral upon viral upon viral, and now I said whenever I was so issue disclaimer. Are you serious? I said I'm not pay you. So they can see me strong.
2018.
2018. Thank you. Yeah. Or 2022. How many years? 4 years now. 3-4 years now. Okay. I find whenever I was issue disclaimer.
But I go see. I'm the chuma kasa on Charles Bisu response. Na sabio ye de ade ye na nya oda na won kasa won nkire se openisa. Yeah. He's a lawyer. The fact say Charles en kasa ho nkire se de ekosoro na nije o. Ye nyina ye kai se mamitiwa investigations. He's a lawyer. He was an ex-police officer. They can't very much motiminje. Ama Juma mamiti wa ye no I exonerate Charles Bisu. See the course of the nyina no omo hwehwe mo nyina no. Ne kura bi enim. Even though we say in the video no or jiskade. But the way chire no I tato na it is kind of man no. Omo yo mo hwehwe mo no kire say there is something behind it. Let me tell you a story. True. When I was a deputy minister, I saw a nurse in a different form in my office.
As in, he came to your office?
And you know, Bobby Betram and him,
okay.
Eventually, the envelope.
But you sense that it was
that kind of Jesus Christ. You want shimmy, I didn't come back. Hey, what when I mean him akwanu baby ah o si wa ye adwuma no mo aketua no construction akem
okay
and me hwe ko na me push man no na me so sa the company event is saying and am try yeah and the event is saying also my resist certificate na the nyina to finance o by o fa hwe o kita hwe o di na no fafa ya and you dey kasa and the oboamina minji envelope wo say wo ye adwuma ye ntwa wo ko nya sika de free and na wo di bra me
alone
me ti odin na me hwa kwani din mi so wura ole no go na me pese be bodyguard dan so me chino I saw a nurse in that form. These are some of the things that they do and they trap people. And if you are not strong enough, you can be caught in the web. They do these things to attract you. They can't wait their kosi asemso. What you say? And Charles Bisu, police work there. What is identity why you ding and on kasa? That is him. Knowing Charles Bisu or non pekasa. He's a very reserved type, very nice gentleman. But the year no, we should the undercurrent na chum. But I'm saying this, sir. Me, that is Global City. I'm not against Galamsey.
You are against Galamsey.
I'm not against. I'm against Galamsey.
Exactly.
I'm not against mining.
Yeah.
I'm not against mining, but I'm against Galamsey.
Okay. Exactly.
The president is not against mining. His support for mining is solid. But Obi Biara we hear Galamsey. Galamsey no is an illegal mining.
Sure.
I will kwayem. I will so. Red zones. Red zones. We're not going to tolerate that. If you're a member of my party and you are doing some of these things, it speaks bad against our party and our government. And
the reason say aside government level, no party na also say it takes sanctions against party officials. We bet you say they are part of this act?
I think the national leadership must be able to put their feet down because their ecosystem yet no omutie no musha ekutia because we call Galamsey areas amansie Adanse areas Achim area. Now look at what happened in Chebi last week. Small downpour. A jig Chebi Krum
High Court in Naflade.
In zone of justice. And the year canoe, young Jack. Galamsey fight is like the drug threat in American Omanum. Said your Mujina here Kutia. Even though there's pockets of street drugs that is going on.
Oh, yeah, I mean, even
it's
that's now.
ongoing.
Yeah.
And Galamsey fighting here, yenyi politics is free.
Okay.
So long as we want survival for this country and our generation to come, let's devote ourselves of politics and let's deal with the menace and the canker called Galamsey. Because me took Kwaina me from Kahana me kowa, me pensu anuma, and no be an Amako Jano.
Sure.
Now, when we sika we hear Galamsey, ubenya mineral water, and this sachet water, and the goofy, and we boost of one. What are the poor ordinary people in those environs? And why?
That's what I say. That's the fancy.
Hey, who do you fancy, sir? Now, dollar could do 11.2. What is it?
The time I submit that.
Never know what trans I was. I over 6 minutes. More than 2 minutes.
What 2 minutes?
Okay, there were another 1 minute. Now, dollar could do 11.2. And how on?
Sir, yeah, hi.
I'm on for soon. $1. Uko America to so. And so. Aneto and na ebedu ukro mu a 11 citizens ennachi data ba mi enjo ukro mu ade
nyambe hwe nyina
nyam enjo infa question yakopon isi sani ma weni ane ye ma yakopon bre no weni ye ma yakopon bre no yetia ama obi ahya obo se wase dollar sie ma na dollar break je wo de kuma yakopon se yakopon ba hwe
external factors abuda
external factors
external factors
external factors
Lawyer Chumberry, a member of the NDC National Communications team.
Over the weekend, we share video. France, they are so light.
Yeah,
Ecoto gas, petrol. Please. Oh, gas in the petrol is not making. We are not for let's silent on petrol.
Sure.
You see, when the demand for every product is so high and the supply is less, that is
the price.
Where you need demand.
This simple O-level
Titus Glover, former deputy minister for transport. More mics nina of happy birthday to Araba Nancy, PRO of Gihok Ghana Limited. Mame Chra Diamond Ho and Eba Sansuna happy birthday to Abigail Osu and San Nurse Kolebu Teaching Hospital. Nyakupo Enshira Wonsu Bibia Osu Wobia. So once again, happy birthday to Chopper from Abba Mary. Who sister ho? Also my happy birthday baby obi. I did the questions. Nyame had watch na. You be said yes. And I say come production team, sound, MCR, camera. Munyina moya de. Amba jume de every pay you. Praise the Lord. O shebe to us macra.